Are we
Are we
live?
live?
I
Um,
think we're live.
are we?
Yeah, we
Are you
are.
sure? Oh, there we
I'm
go. Okay,
sure.
there we go. Yeah. Just making sure
What's
my end.
up?
Hey, what up,
What's up,
guys?
everyone? How y'all doing?
How you guys doing?
We have another good stream today. Me and Jose, we were just chatting it up,
Yes, sir. Yes,
making
sir.
sure we had all our problems ready. Um, let's go. I mean, let's go straight into it. Let's give our little announcements real quick.
Yes, sir.
So, couple announcements. Thank you for 200 subs. We have 219 subs, I believe, right now.
Yes. I confirmed 219 subs.
Yeah,
I think we hit 200 Sunday, Saturday, give or take. So yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
So we're at
Yeah.
200
So
subs. So we really appreciate all the support. It kind of went by pretty quick
yeah.
because the 100 it came in like a month or so, right?
Uh huh.
And then
Yeah.
200 came in like 30 days. That is a month.
In
Hold up.
like.
And like I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
it, it came it like the 100 took off like really fast, like we got to like 80 subs in less like and then a week, and then to get those 20 extra subs we did like it went a little bit slowly, but as soon as we got to 200 we got 219 more subs.
Yeah.
19 more subs. And Kyra and Ali, welcome to the stream.
Welcome, welcome.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We'll
So
have to. Uh-huh.
so that's a very big appreciation from us
Yeah,
on that.
for sure.
Remember that when we hit 500, it's gonna be another special, I guess. So then you start planning that. So technically, this is a 200 subscriber special, but
Quotation marks.
it's gonna be the
Yeah.
same things we normally do. Um, and then also a little sneak peek. We do plan on doing segments in the coming streams. So segments to where like it's still like coding related, but like a little challenge
Yeah.
for me and Jose. I don't know if you saw, but in our little document, but I put that
Yeah.
that maybe a consequence to one of the challenges is that you have to put something on your LinkedIn bio. What do you think?
Ooh, bro, change your profile picture.
You gotta change it for like 24 hours or something.
24,
Michael,
yeah,
what's
yes,
up?
sir.
What's up,
Yes,
Michael?
sir. I
So
like that. I like
some
that.
little challenges here. Maybe if y'all have ideas, let us know. We'll
Yes,
hear them
sir.
out. We'll hear out the ideas. But yeah. So we're thinking about adding some segments, and then of course, whenever like viewers join the call, we'll have like a little icon or something that shows like, oh, there's a viewer in, just so like it gives more context to like the audience and stuff. So those are some of the things in the works. We want to make things more fun, engaging, and stuff. So we like how we have it right now. To be honest, we don't really want to
Yeah.
change too much. So
Uh-huh.
it's just a matter of finding like our style and what we feel like is fun for everyone, for us, and for everyone. So that's kind
Yeah.
of our balance. So, but you could leave like critiques in a Discord or anything like that. We're open to any type of critiques, harsh critiques, any happy critiques or anything. It don't matter. It don't matter how you say it either. Like we take it all. We'll
Yes,
listen.
sir.
And yeah, join the Discord if you want that.
Hey,
Limited spots. Limited
make sure
spots.
to join the Discord. It's getting pretty filled up.
It's filling up.
I
It's filling up.
don't know. I see 22 offline plus the 3 online plus us. That's 27. 27.
Yeah.
27 people already in the Discord. We're running out.
Right now, we only have 100 uses.
It's running out. Slowly but surely, it's running out.
Yeah.
And man, I don't want you to be in the position where you can't join anymore, right?
All right. No, that's not gonna happen. You'll still be able to join, but
yeah, for sure.
we're soft launching it. We're making
The
sure
soft launch
everything's
is 100. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we also have some beef, some coding beef in the chat.
Hey,
You know,
Jose, we weren't gonna talk about that.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. I won't mention names.
We got some beef though in the community.
We got some beef. And if you want to join in the beef, throw some punches, 1-2 Conor McGregor, see what lands. You
Join the
welcome, bro.
Discord. Join the
But
Discord. You
hey,
gotta check out the
keep
beef.
it PG, bro. Keep it
Yeah, keep it
PG, bro.
PG.
Keep it smooth. All fun and games are here to learn, here to have fun. Make this journey more bearable, more fun, more like learning. So, but hey, if you want to be known a part of that beef, back in my time we call it cheese man, bro.
Cheese,
It's
man.
sweet, bro. Yes, sir. It's
Ah,
the tea. It's sweet. Like the tea, bro. It's like Boston Tea Party in here, my guy. Hey, but
wow.
we in here though.
Yeah. So I think that's about it. I don't know if there's anything else. Maybe like some comments. Have we gotten any comments or anything?
Um, I don't think so. I haven't seen any comments lately. I know a peer person just gave a suggestion of a challenge to do complete a leak code easy within 5 minutes.
Yeah, we need to do
I
more of
think
those. We've done it
we
before.
we've done it before, but I
Yeah.
think we could pick some problems that are a little bit more difficult, more challenging. You get me?
Because we're thinking of like a wheel of
Hmm.
challenges, and then like for our segment we spin the wheel, or like the digital wheel we spin it,
Yeah.
whatever
Yep. Yep.
challenge it lands on, then we do that challenge, and then of course
Yeah.
it has its own consequences. So if you can't
Hmm.
complete the challenge, then there will be a consequence. So maybe like Jose was saying, change your LinkedIn profile, or I was thinking change like one of your your bio in your LinkedIn, or
Hmm.
something where you could do it for like 24 hours. You could change
Yeah.
it, something fun, nothing too crazy, but
Yeah.
um, I think that's a good consequence. But of course, maybe y'all have some better ideas on that.
Yeah.
Um,
Hey.
good morning, GM. I think that's good morning, right?
Yeah,
All
I
right.
think so. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So with
This
that
is
being said, we got some good problems. We
we
got
got some
some
good problems.
binary search. We got graph, and we got linked lists, like sorting linked lists. So I think we're ready. We're gonna go
Hmm.
into a warm up problem,
Yep.
and that's
Um.
binary search. What's up? What
All
do you
right.
want to
I
say?
don't know if you want to do. I don't know if you want to do the binary search problem from your end. I don't know. If we had that in the plans, but it's up to you. We
Uh,
can.
Let me make sure I got you full screen. Hold up. All right,
Okay.
I got you. I got you.
All right. Bet.
So no, I mean just do it on your end. It's
Yes.
not
All
a
right.
big deal.
Fair enough. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. So just a little
Um,
recap of
Go.
the problems we have. We have a binary search tree right here, kind of easy,
Warm up.
smooth
Warm up.
warm up. What we call it, a warm up challenge, right? And then we have find the path. This one we've done it. We attempted to do it on previous streams, but today is a comeback. Today is a day where we're trying to defeat it. We got some insight by one of the subscribers called Manny on a 100 sub special where he came in, gave us some tips and tricks on how to do it. And we might implement those in this stream, learn a little bit more about graphs, refresh your memory and stuff, right? And then we have some merge two sorted list, which is it's gonna be fun. This one I feel like it's gonna be fun. But yeah, it's like a cool, nice problems, something to learn, something to strike easy, but also that pushes us to learn something new. So with this said, let's get started with the first one.
All right. You want me to read it?
Yes sir, go for it.
All right. So, our first problem of the evening, or for some others, maybe for the morning, we're going to be doing problem number 700, search in a binary search tree. So, you are given a root of a binary search tree and an integer val. Find the node in the BST that the node's value equals val, and return the subtree rooted with that node. If such a node exists, if such a node does not exist, return no. So, for example, we got the tree 42713, and the value is 2. So, you go down the tree until you see 2. Once you see 2, then you return the subtree from that point on. Example 2, uh, you're given nothing. Oh, you're given a val 5, and that's not found in the tree at all. So that means you don't return. Uh, yeah.
Yes sir.
So,
Yep, pretty
so
much.
if it's nothing, you don't return anything. You don't even. Oh yeah, because it's not
Yeah,
there. Okay, my bad. Yeah.
yeah, if it's not there. Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
I definitely need to work on this graph stuff, man. Like it's definitely something that I need to practice on. And
Uh huh.
so that's kind of some one of my goals is to get better at graphs and kind of understanding it a little bit more, especially those
Yep. Yep.
terms. Like you got like in previous streams, we learned about the adjacency matrix,
Hmm.
matrices, or and transition matrix,
Yeah.
something along the lines of
Hmm.
that. Those little things, I think I need to figure those down. But um, well, someone said something earlier. Let me see. Do Ayush said do sort color. Is that a problem? That's a
Mm.
problem.
I think that's a problem. Yeah.
Okay, we'll look into that one. We'll look into that one.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Let
That
me write
sounds
it down.
interesting then.
Let me write it down.
Yeah.
Sort color. Sort color. And what did Michael say?
Or he said, you all know about the Primigion on YouTube, right? Prime Adrian. I don't know
I don't.
if I'm
I don't know what that
reading
is.
it correctly, but yeah, I'm kind of lost there. I don't really know. Course in front end masters. Okay, so it's a course, Previgent's course on front end masters of DSA, data structures and algorithms. It's 9 hours long, but it is good. You know. All right, so he's a Twitch streamer.
Okay.
All right, okay, okay. Hey, if it's good, it's good. I'll probably give it a. It's free and super good. All right, I'll give it a watch.
I'll write that down. Write that
Yeah,
down.
yeah, yeah. Write that down. I'm gonna write it down too. I got my notes over here. I got you. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate it, Michael. You're the best. You're the best.
Michael, how's it
So,
going, man? How's your day? What did you eat? While we're doing this problem, I'm gonna be chatting too. So what? How you doing? What did you eat? How did you sleep? Everything. Anyways,
mhm.
you ready? So you want to
Give me
start?
one
Okay.
second.
Do your thing. Also, how does the audio sound? The error that I had last stream, if you go back and check it out, my I had plugged in a PS5 controller
PS5.
because I was playing Fall Guys earlier that day, and the audio automatically switched to the PS5 because it has a built-in microphone. So it switched for some reason. So whenever we were streaming, it was taking the audio from the controller, which was a little bit down, like near my desk, and yeah, so that's why it sounded very low. So I realized that after looking at the recording, and then yeah, so hopefully it sounds better now. It should be my normal mic that I have up here, but
Yeah,
that's about it.
Kyra says it's good.
Okay, audio's good. Audio's good.
Good. Yeah.
Um,
Michael eating some
are you
chicken
okay?
and brock.
Chicken and brock right now, and then
Ooh,
TYVM. Thank you very much. Okay, okay.
very
Whew.
much. Yes,
See,
sir.
I
Hey, that
barely
was a
knew that
tough
one.
one. That was a
I
tough one.
barely knew that one.
That's a tough one.
What's good with Carlson?
It's
What's good with you, Jose?
I'm doing good. I'm just, kind of sleepy. Woke up from a nap right now. It was a good nap. It was really, really good nap. I was like dead. I was knocked out. Woke up, bro. My entire body was hurting, so I was sleeping all twisted. But I'm here though. I'm here, ready to go, ready to get this problem going. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What about you, Carlos? How you
You
doing? How you
know, for
doing?
me, I had a good day. Ate some good food. I planned to play basketball, but the place I needed to go to needed my ID, and I didn't have my wallet
Ooh.
with me, so I couldn't go play
Mm.
basketball. So I came home, decided, you know what, I'm just gonna play some games until the stream. So then I just tried to play some games. I played like PUBG, Fortnite, and then um, that was about it. They weren't that fun. I didn't really have a good time. Um, so my day is kind of going all right.
Nah,
As
we'll
of,
get better. We'll
as of
get
right
better.
now, it's going all right.
It's gonna
But
get better. Trust, trust.
all right, you ready?
I'm ready. Yes,
Let's
sir.
get it.
So, so
We
how
want
do
to
you
write
want
some
to talk?
pseudocode, right? So
Let's write some pseudocode.
we want to go down um,
Hmm.
breath first, right? Because if we do
Breath.
the other way, don't and then we go like the wrong branch. then
Uh-huh.
isn't there a chance that we miss it? Or it's binary, right?
We can do binary. We can do a binary
Yeah,
search
it's binary.
too.
My bad. I forgot.
We
Yeah.
can do a binary search. I'm down with that one because we haven't touched that in a bit, but I'm down with whatever approach you want to take.
Not binary because it's a binary problem. I forgot about that. I was
Yeah.
just looking
All
at
right.
the nodes, and I guess the graphs haunted me a little bit.
No, we can do breadth first and depth first on a graph too.
Yeah.
But for those, I'm a little bit foggy on how to implement those in a graph,
Hmm.
right?
In a tree,
But I
right?
think in a tree,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah. But we can do binary search, and I think for this
Okay,
problem it'd be a little bit easier.
for sure. Okay,
For sure, for
so
sure. All right,
the simple algorithm for that is
is
you check the
we
value.
check. We have to binary. Let me see. Binary search tree. So for this one, we have to check the root.
Yeah,
Root,
to the value,
right? Yes. If root is less than val,
then go
so
right.
go yeah, go right. Go right. Else go left. Like
Okay.
that. Pretty
Uh huh.
much. Yep, yep, yep. And then okay, so we have to return the subtree, right? So we have to keep track of the head. So if val equal root, you know, return root. You get me? So we can, for example, here two, we were to just return two, and it's gonna give you the entire subtree of two,
Yes.
if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is my this is my thought process, right?
Uh huh.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to add something up or
No, I
change a
mean, I
little
think
bit.
you
Yep.
could. I think you could solve this like fairly easy. You just do the binary
Alrighty.
search, and like you said, you don't need to do too much when it comes to returning the
Yeah.
subtree because you're already at the root. You just need to
Yeah.
return it, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Or do
Pretty much.
val equals root equals val, or uh,
It could be root equals val
you
or
gotta
yeah.
reassign root, right?
Mm,
Or return.
this could be over here like that. What do you mean?
Like we can't say return root because we gotta reassign root, or no, or we're always reassigning root as we're going down.
I think we are always reassigning root. If I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Because yeah, now the question is, how do you want to do this? Do you want to do this recursively or in a loop?
I think recursively is fine.
Recursively is fine. All right, bet, 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 bet.
So
I
we
got you.
have been using recursion for
Yeah,
the past couple streams, so
yeah,
I guess
yeah. Uh
I
huh.
guess I gotta get over the idea
Yeah,
that recursion is difficult. So I
yeah,
guess I need to get
yeah.
better. So yeah, recursion's
I'll
cool.
take you. I'll take you. I'll let you take the lead on this one. All
Okay.
right, so you
Whew.
can practice a little bit.
All right, you're right.
Okay, yes, sir.
So what do
Alrighty.
we want to call it? You want to call it just
BST, binary search tree, binary search BS
uh yeah.
or binary search like this. Binary search. There you go.
Okay.
Yep, yep,
Binary
yep.
search that's gonna take in the root and
Uh huh.
then mm, what else should it take in? The like the direction, like the
Um. Mm, I don't. I don't think so because the root already has the directions. You get me?
okay.
No,
The
but
root.
mm, I think val could be one. Mm, mm.
Wow. Also, Michael said,
Michael. Yeah.
feel free to ask Q's in the in the chat. Thank
Yeah.
you,
By the
Mike.
way,
Thank you, Mike.
I bet. Thank you, Michael. Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Huh? Do you
I would
think
say
I was
root.
thinking root, right?
Yeah, I was thinking root too.
Val. Do we need to input the val?
Because for val we already have it over here, so I don't think we need to declare it again over here.
Uh huh. And it's not, and we're not changing the val, right? We're not updating it to anything. We're
No.
just checking that specifically.
Yeah.
Wait, I think you do need to put val, because
You
don't
think
aren't
so?
you using the value val in the function?
Yes, but like since val is
It's on
declared
the outside.
outside, yeah, you can like use it inside. But let's put val just to make
Okay,
sure.
yeah, let's try.
Yep.
Yeah,
All right, bet. All right, for this one. All right, so now
we
what do
base
we want?
case, right? We need our base case.
Yeah, like
So
Michael
it
said,
would be
base cases, base
yeah.
cases.
So it would be we're checking the root if it's val, right?
Yeah.
If root or the no. Mm, wouldn't it
Like
be
this.
because if they give us uh wait, yeah, right.
Yep, I think
I was
so.
thinking, what if they give us like a? They're always gonna give us a val, right?
Mm,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. 'Cause I was
Yep.
thinking, what if they don't give us a val and then there's like an error right there? But they
Yeah.
always give us a val, then that should be fine.
Yes, I
Okay,
think
so that
so.
could be a base case, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then if it doesn't, then you. Hmm, can we do this all in one line? What do you think? Or we
Like
need to
all
do
of these
separate?
if statements.
Like I'm wondering, like if you could say
Ah, you tell me. You tell me.
if. Hmm, okay, yeah, let's just do it separately. If
Okay.
if val is less than root, then that means it goes to the left.
Okay.
You binary, yeah,
Uh. Okay.
yeah. And should we do an else? I'm trying to remember the yeah
Um.
else, and then do binary search root dot right.
Okay. Yeah.
Also, we got a comment saying make sure to use self comma self dot binary search.
Self dot
I
self.
need a refresh on that on the self part.
Uh. To my understanding, it's just calling it self. For example, right here, you can do self right here, and just gonna call itself. But I'm not sure though. That's because we were talking about it last stream.
Since the function is under the solution class. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Up
That makes
here,
sense.
can you explain like why we need that again? Someone explained it before, but do you remember Jose or no?
Um, to to my understanding, self can be called like it calls itself, but um, but I'm not sure if you actually need it here. Yeah, Pearson said Pearson said to remove it because it's I don't know. It's a weird thing. It's a weird concept. Um, where it calls itself, but I don't know in what situations you can use it. If that makes
Because
sense.
obviously you see it in the comments for the problem. You see self dot
Mm-hmm.
val like or you see in the parameters too. And I searched it before. Um, I could never stick it to my head to truly understand why self.
Yeah.
Um,
Pearson gave a small explanation. He said self is for if we call a method that's defined on the object.
Call a function that is defined in the class.
The object.
Is that another word for class?
I think so, but I'm not sure.
Orcus, what's up?
Arpcus is back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Apparently, class is an object.
Object being an instance of a class. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Bet. Um, it also doesn't even need to be self. You could name it whatever. I'm pretty sure. Alrighty. It's definitely something interesting because we've seen it a couple. Well, always like always in the method we're given. It always has self.
Uh huh.
But to my understanding, I don't really know
Okay.
what it is.
I'm gonna write that one down because
Self.
you always see it. You always see it. So.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Appear. They mentioned,
Sure.
so if we were to call search BST from inside this function, we'd prefix it with self. Okay.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay.
So did we keep on
So
going?
yep. I'm down.
Okay. So then if
Alrighty.
val is less than root, that's going to go left. Else, that means it's greater. And it already checks if it's equal as the base case. So then, okay, and once it's done with that, then you return, like at the end of the function, do we have to return?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. I was gonna return just like
root
this. Return
or
false. And over here we want to return. Ooh.
wait. So if it goes all the way, then that
If it
means there's
goes,
nothing.
yeah, it's gonna bounce back. It's gonna return something. For example, if we're at 1 and we haven't found 5,
Uh huh.
it's gonna go left. And if it goes left, it's gonna return. So it doesn't have anything.
Wait. We might be. So okay, like you said, whenever you go to 1, it goes back to 2, and then it's gonna go to 3. But if there's an if else statement, it's not gonna go the other way, right?
Well, it's because if, for example, if we go one side, that means it's not on the right. So there's
Oh yeah,
nothing
you're
to
right.
go to the
Okay,
right.
yeah,
You
you're
get
right.
me?
Yeah.
Mm, 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 mm. But I'm just
If
thinking,
it's less than
if we go left and there's nothing there, what's gonna happen?
return null.
Oh,
Look at the
okay. It does not exist. Return no. Fair enough.
thank you up here.
Yeah. Thank you, Pierre. Thank you. Appreciate
So
it. Guess we can just return null.
would it be capital N? Or what's null?
Return none.
None. Okay, none.
Yeah. Thank you.
So
Appreciate
so does this it returns none through each of the iterations? And then
I mean,
and then outside of that we return binary search? Or right?
yes, we return binary search. Yeah, right here. Return.
And it should
Yeah, we're gonna return head. We're gonna
root.
send root. Yeah, bro. I thought it was head. Root and val. I think that should work. Who run it? You want me to run it?
Let me double check. Yeah, I mean,
No.
ah.
Alrighty, let's send it. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it's root.val. There we go. And here it's root.val too.
Yeah.
There you go. My bad.
Oh.
Bro, what do you mean, bro?
Um.
Oh, because Okay, so we first have to
Oh,
check if it even exists. If it doesn't exist, we return none. You get me?
if
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. So in here we have to create another base case. Be like root if root, right?
Mm-hmm.
Meaning if equals none, return none. Right there, like this. You get me?
Yeah. Is there a way we could combine those two or no? No, because you're
Um,
returning two different things, right? Yeah.
we can do root and
No, but that one returns root. The other one needs to return none.
yeah.
So I guess you couldn't do it.
Yeah.
All
All
right,
right.
shut up.
Okay, we got
Okay,
this
okay.
one right here. Okay. Okay, this one we got 0. Hmm. Alrighty. All right.
Is it
Here's give.
because
Uh huh. Let's see.
uh
Okay. Hmm.
where does it get stuck at?
Different.
Four.
What do you
Four
mean?
is not two.
Okay.
If if two is less than four.
You should return at 2. All right. So a Pearson here give us. You also want to make sure you return the result of the recursive call. Right now, it's gonna recurse, but it won't return the result of the recursive call. Right now, it's always returning none if the number isn't at the root. Line 25 and 27, what happens after those return? 25 and 27.
Oh,
25
it
and 27.
returns.
These two.
It goes into none, right? After that one.
Mm,
Oh, do you gotta?
we have to return root over here then. Wait.
No, do you have to return binary search? The recursive call? No, right?
You're not capturing the values returned by those. Oh, I think you're right. So you're not. So Michael said you're not capturing the values returned by those calls. So it says, yeah, I think you're right. I think we can do something like return here,
Uh huh.
because this one works. This one returns root. Once if it hits root,
Uh huh.
it's gonna go here, and we want to return whatever this value is.
Okay.
Yeah, like Pearson said, because it's gonna call binary search on the left and right nodes, but it won't be returning the result of that recurs.
Okay.
You get me? So
Yeah.
I think you have to return this call.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. Okay.
And then they did mention the vow isn't necessary, which
Yep.
that's kind of what
All
we
right.
thought, right?
Yeah, we can delete if you want.
I'll just check if it works. Yeah.
Yep. All right. So,
I'm also on line 25 and 27.
oh, yep. Thank you. Thank you. Alrighty.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Submit. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Let's
Okay.
go. Let's
Middle
go.
of the pack.
All
Middle
right.
of the pack.
Middle of the pack.
Middle
We
of the
like
pack.
it. We like it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Warm
sir.
up. Warm up.
Yes. Hey, thank
Warm
you,
up.
Pearson and Michael and Orcus. Thank you.
Thank you,
guys.
Mike. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mike. Thank you, up here. Thank you, Orcus.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Alrighty. So, yeah, because okay, so to my understanding, we had to add like a return here, because
Mhm.
we find the root, right? We return
Mhm.
the root. We're here, and then it's like we don't do anything with the return value of that
Yeah.
call.
You're
Get
just
me? So we
you're
have to,
calling it. It's keeps going, and then
yeah,
you're not
and
bringing
then
it
it
back at
bounces
all.
back. Yeah, exactly. We have to bring it back in the ladder. You get
Uh-huh.
me? So we have to
Okay.
return all the way to the top. Yes, sir.
All right. Good refresher.
Good refresher.
I,
Good
I like
refresher.
doing I like doing binary search like when we were learning in class. Like I thought
Yeah.
it was really nice.
It
Obviously,
was fun. It is
it's been
fun.
a while since we learned it, so that was
Yeah.
nice. All right,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
now
All
solve
right.
this iteratively.
Oh, okay. Iteratively.
That's just the while loop, right?
We can do while, but we
But
can.
oh,
No. It's possible. It's
okay,
possible. It's possible. You want to give it a try?
yeah. Well,
Just for the funs? While loop mentioned.
I think
Thank you.
appear has a thing with while loops.
What root? Right. All right. I think we need a while loop. A while loop with a root.
Okay,
We have to say. I think it's the same thing. If root equals well, if it's root, we bounce back. Um. Mm, mm. So we first let's just take a little bit the obvious, right? Where we go like this, and we go root is gonna go to root the left, right? Else root equals right.
uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if it's and then right here, root's gonna boom 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 boom, and we don't need a base case. I don't think so. And
Well, yeah,
okay, and then we
because if
yeah
it equals, you return.
yeah we have to do if break. We want to break out of the for loop, right? Which like this. To my understanding,
And
I
what
think
happens if it's none? If there's none in there. Also,
it breaks.
don't forget the colon after on line 33.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Gotcha.
If root is none,
Uh huh.
it breaks because the while loop is not gonna keep running anymore.
Wow, root. Yeah, it'll be no, right?
Okay, so Pearson said instead of breaking, we can return root right here.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
And then outside of it, you return no. Like out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Nice catch. Like this.
Something
I
like
think
that.
this, something like that. Running
That's
it,
right.
running it.
Okay.
It
Okay.
works.
Okay. Okay.
Submitting it. Let's see how it goes. Oof. All right.
Who knew?
Who knew?
Who knew doing it the way that we first learned was better.
Yes, sir.
Good
Yes,
stuff.
sir. Hey,
They
good
said
stuff, guys. Thank you.
they said wild loops, wild wild west. You might want to return. You mentioned that break is fine though. Personal preference. Okay, so both are fine. Um, well, so that if the wild loops condition is false, it won't try to return root incorrectly. The condition would only be false on none though. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
yes.
Good stuff, fellas.
Yep.
Good
Hey,
stuff
good
chatting.
stuff. Good stuff.
Or
I know.
fellows. I don't
Orcus posted his solution on the Discord. I don't know if you want to go over it
Oh,
briefly.
okay. Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah. You see. Let me see.
Yo, leaking. You're leaking.
Oh, I'm lit, bro. Yo. No, I'm kidding. Can we? I think
I mean,
we
I don't.
can.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing. Let me see. I think it's encoding help. Yep, Orc is right here. He did a recursive, I think,
Mm-hmm.
where he said, if node is none, he checked if the node exists. Then if the node is the node that we're looking at, we return node. Alrighty, same thing, and then we get called over here. Node equals root. Hmm. This one is
Put it
in
into the LeetCode.
LeetCode.
Let's
All
see.
right,
Yeah,
bet.
get a better look of it.
Okay, so Orcus said it's just the same as us. So right here, here it's the code. So yeah, this is similar to ours. Similar to ours. This one, however, mm, yeah. If node equals root, mm, that's a keyword argument. Okay. Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Test.
I'm
Yeah.
I'm stumped on that.
Yep. Yep. I think it's assigning node.
Oh,
Test
okay.
parameter.
Oh,
Okay.
it's just
So
saying I use the word node and applied. Oh, okay, okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're just assigning the value of root to node as a parameter.
Yeah. Michael, this is funky. Oh, when request changes on this PR plugs plug for
Or
code smell.
Orcus, you're trying to confuse us, man, with your brain teaser. That's a brain teaser.
So it's
Uh,
just a way to assign, I think. Assign.
yeah, assigning in a parameter.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
thank you, Marcus.
Good
Thank you, thank
stuff.
you, thank you. Good stuff, though. Good stuff.
Let me explain before we go to the next one. Let me explain this one real quick.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. You want to explain the recursive one?
yeah.
Alrighty. Go for it. Go for it.
You could delete the other one real quick.
Alrighty. I got you.
All right.
Oh, wait.
I'm not anything. Got it. Right.
I just have to do this like that. There you go.
Okay. All right. So for this solution, make it real quick. We basically did a binary search algorithm. You have two base cases. If the root is none, you return none. If the root dot val equals val, then you return the root. After that, then you're doing the actual like binary search in which you check to see if the value is less than the root dot val, and then otherwise the val is greater than the root dot val, and then you go to the left based on the certain cases. From there, if it passes all those different nodes and it still can't find the root dot val, then you're gonna return none, and that's gonna trickle all the way back up to the first call, and then it's gonna return none as there's no value that matches uh, the root that you're looking. There's no root that matches the value that's given. So that's basically it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Yo, Siri
Um,
keeps up and up, bro.
really?
Yeah. There you go. There you go. You down to move to the next problem?
Let's go to the next one.
All right. So I don't know if you want to tackle this one or you want to tackle this one. Which ones do you feel more comfortable?
I feel like the list, man.
This one.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right. Let's tackle this one.
it's something new. It's something fresh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm feeling.
All right. Bet. All right. So there's some discussion in the chat. It's a useful Python feature. You have a lot of function arguments. It makes it easier to tell which argument is being called and by what value. But it wasn't a k work. Okay. The space made it look like a variable segment, but it was k-work. Okay, but the function is similar arc. You can k-work in arc, but not the other way around. Alrighty,
Bernard join up. What's up, Bernard?
Bernard, welcome to the stream. Are we doing LeetCode 150? We are not. I know LeetCode is like a playlist or something where it gives you like a list of problems that you can practice on. Yes, sir.
No, we're just choosing
Alrighty.
random,
Yep,
whatever
yep.
whatever we feel like for the stream. But it definitely has increased in like difficulty. Even though there's still easy questions.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to our first streams, we did like basic like string manipulation or what was it like concatenation stuff like that.
Concatenation.
Those
Mm-hmm.
basic ones. But now we're going in. We right now we're really interested in like learning these different algorithms and graphs more importantly. So we've been doing that for the past couple streams lately. But we're trying to switch it up. I know some people
Yep.
recommended that we stick to a certain topic sometimes, so we're not jumping over the place, and that does make sense. Because like it's harder to learn if you're jumping around. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at right now. Insane level after the first problem. You're totally right. You're totally right. Let's get it real quick.
Alright.
All right. We respect the game.
Mm-hmm.
We respect the game of LeetCode, and I think it's time to show that we want to show the respect we have for it. We eventually we want to do a jersey swap. Like what a jersey swap is.
Nah.
Basketball players or football players they wear jerseys.
Oh, yeah.
So after the game they swap their jerseys. Eventually we
yeah.
should do that where we swap like our headsets or something.
Ooh, okay.
No, I'm just joking,
Okay.
but something like that. We respect the game. So,
Okay.
for this sake, maybe we swap LinkedIn's.
Ooh.
What's your
That'd be
LinkedIn?
nice.
Oh, here's my
What's your
LinkedIn. Yeah, let's connect.
Hey, that'd be nice.
Know what I'm
That'd
saying?
be
Know what I'm saying?
nice. Yes, sir.
So, anyways,
Yes,
with all that, no more yapping. So let's. How do you feel, Jose? How do you feel, man?
I feel like a 2 right now, bro. I'm chill.
2?
Yeah, the problem wasn't. It was nice. It was nice. Having a good time with the chat and everything. I like it.
Okay, so you're at 2. That
I'm
shocked
at
me.
2.
I feel like from the past streams, you said a 2 over like something way more difficult.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Are you okay,
Damn,
man?
hold
Are you going? What happened
No,
today?
I'm good. I'm good.
You're
I'm
good?
I'm good.
Okay.
I feel like a 2 is
Just
respectful.
want to make sure.
Yeah.
Maybe there's
No,
other elements that are bringing in the 2 factor.
So maybe.
Okay.
But right now I feel like a 2. It's good.
Okay.
It's good.
For me, I feel pretty good. Like I said, I probably even feel better than how I felt before the stream. I wasn't upset, but I was drained a little bit. I was trying to play some games, and none of the games were going well. So I'm gonna give myself a 1, man.
Damn,
I'm gonna give myself a 1.
My guys with the 1.
Yeah, I feel pretty
sir.
good. I respect the game. I
Alright.
can't, you can't disrespect the game and say like,
Fair enough.
oh, I'm
You
not
didn't feel
like,
like anything,
did feel nothing,
being
like you felt
tough.
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah,
There's no,
for sure.
I never want to disrespect the game like that. So I give myself a 1 on that one.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Um,
Michael's asking, when is the autograph bandanas?
Autograph bandanas. Woo! I gotta talk to my supplier. We'll see what we can do. But they're headbands.
sir.
Well, are these considered bandanas? They're headbands.
To be honest, I'm not sure. Cause like the bandanas is like the little one, like it goes like all the way in the
With
back.
the-
and there's, like,
yeah,
a bubble
right?
on the top. I think so. But I think I think they're similar.
You could call them bandanas, I think.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yep.
All right, they're headbands. Hey, well, we could call them whatever we want. How about that?
Yeah, I'm down.
I'm gonna call them headbands. Michael could call them bandanas. I don't know what he means. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm good to go.
You need me to read?
Oh, you want me to read?
You can read, man. You can
Yep.
read.
I got you.
All right.
So right now we have problem 21, merge 2 sorted lists, and it says the following. You're given the heads of 2 sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merged linked list. Okay, for example, in example 1, we have a linked list 1, 2, 4, and another linked list 1, 3, 4. So we want to merge them, and we have the result of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. As you guys can see, we grab the nodes from list 1, list 2, we sort them, and we make one single list. In example 2, we're given two empty lists, so the result is empty. Since we have two empty lists, we cannot really do anything. Example 3, we get an empty list and one that has a 0. We just move the 0 to the new linked list and return that. This is yes. And I think, to my understanding, the lists are sorted already, so we don't have to figure out anything. We just have to put them together.
Okay. What are the constraints on this one?
Constraints: the number of nodes in both lists is in the range of 0 to 50. Node value cannot be less than negative 100 nor bigger than 100. Both list 1 list 2 are sorted in a non-decreasing order, meaning that goes from least to greatest.
Okay.
This is it. This
Okay.
is
Yeah, this might look familiar to others that were watching in the previous streams. Me and Jose tried to do this one towards the end of the stream, right? I believe so. We tried to do this one, and we quickly realized, yeah, we weren't going to get it done in 20 minutes or whatever it was. So we wanted to actually spend time on it now. So I know we were kind of contemplating like how we would do this. I still don't know how, but
yeah, me neither.
that's what we're gonna figure out right now.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, the link list, right?
Yeah.
The link list. So
Do you wanna draw it out and see possible
we could
outcomes?
draw it out in a bit. I gotta look at the
Okay.
the
Yeah, for
picture
sure, for
real
sure.
quick.
Let me
So
make this bigger.
so we need to start on the left side, the head of
Mhm.
one link list.
Mhm.
We need to compare it to
Mhm.
the other list.
Yeah.
We need to say, is this value greater than that one? Or
Mhm.
okay, hold up. Or it's not good if you like iterate. Like I'm thinking, what are the things we learned? We learned like 2 pointers.
Two
Like
pointers.
one was from the right, one was from the left. What's up, Arafat? How you doing?
Welcome to the stream.
Um, we you can't do the right and the left, right? What made us do the right and the left last time? There wasn't it wasn't a doubly linked list, right?
No, it was I think it was an array where we tried to find like a two sum, where we had to find like the sum of two numbers that give you a specific value.
Uh-huh.
We used the 2 pointers to be like, all right, we have to increase the amount, decrease the amount. So we had like 2 pointers.
But then wasn't it going all the way to the right and it was going back to the middle? Or no?
No, I don't
Okay.
think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Mm.
Mm, I was thinking for this one, right? We have 2 pointers, right? We have two linked lists,
Yeah.
right? We can traverse both and be like, is one less than one, right? If it's not, or if it's equal, we can get this node pointed here, right? And move this like pointer to 3, and um move this. Wait a minute. Never mind. It's not working out.
I got an interesting thing. Can you
Okay.
right click that photo? Can you
Yep.
copy image?
Uh-huh.
And then can you go in Excel Will it allow you to paste
Oh,
it?
bro. Of course, my horse.
Holy
Gotta
smokes,
draw
man.
works.
No way.
You want
You know,
bigger?
you know, I've been doing Photoshop, right? To make the
Yeah, yeah.
thumbnails. Thumbnails, they're subpar, you know. They're subpar, but they're getting better. And for the longest time, I was downloading photos from the internet, and it would always cluster my desktop because I was lazy to put it in a certain area. And then
Uh-huh.
I learned that you could just copy the image from the internet and paste it into your Photoshop.
Really?
Yeah, so ever since then I've been doing that. So I've been applying that to other
Damn.
things, and it made
And
sense
it's
for this
working.
situation, and it worked. So that's crazy. How do you copy an image and then paste it into? It's, I don't know. It might be.
Witchery. It's a witchery, bro. It's
Yeah.
some sort of magic.
Okay, so now we get to draw. We get to draw. So
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
are we
yeah.
thinking?
So I was thinking, let's say we have 2 pointers here, right? One
Okay.
here, one here. We traverse both lists, right? So we check one less than one. No,
Mm-hmm.
right? But they're the same, right? So we
Yeah.
point this one over here, right? And now we move. Oh my god.
That
I don't.
pointer. Can
Yeah,
you
we
lock
move.
it?
Can you? Yeah, you can lock it right here. Oh my god, bro, you're
The
smart, bro.
you,
You're
you
smart,
know
bro.
Canva. You
Yeah,
know that
yep, yep,
little
yep. Uh
Canva Pro, man.
huh.
Canva Pro. So then you move that pointer. You move.
you you move this pointer
Would
here.
that be a temp?
Yeah, this could be a temp. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then we say, alrighty, we got three here. We compare to one. One less than three, so we point this one over here.
And then you move that temp up there.
Yeah, you move it to two. Move it to two.
Okay.
And now we check. Is two less than three? Oh, okay. I see. I see. Here's where I mess up. Because two is gonna point to
Ah.
yeah,
Yeah.
but it's one pointing to two. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm.
If it goes to
Okay.
one. Okay. If so, going back to the beginning,
Hmm.
if it points to one, can't you already assume? Can't you already move the temp at that red one to the next one?
What do you mean?
Like, let's say you move the purple temp to three, right?
Uh huh.
Since you already used that one.
Okay. Let me just erase the board real fast. Give me
Okay.
1 second. Just erase the board. You want me to send you the link for the schedule draw or?
No, you're cool.
Yep. All right, bet. All right. So tell me.
So the same thing you're thinking, right? You point
All right.
one up, you check the value, right?
Uh
And
huh.
then you move the temp of the purple, and you move it to there. And then I was thinking, can we also assume we can move the temp for the red to two as well?
Over here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Now we check if two is less or three is less than two. It's not. So then that means the temp at red points
Point to
to,
two. Point to two.
and that would already be pointed at that. So you don't have to reassign the one to the two.
Yeah.
It would already
Uh
be
huh.
pointed. You just reassign the purple, the two to the purple, right?
Two to
And
three.
then yeah, and then you move the three as well. Like each iteration, you move both pointers.
But what if this number it's like 5,
Uh huh.
right? We still have to sort these two numbers. You get me? We cannot put like two to here, right? And say like instead of 3, it's 5. We have these 4. You get me?
But it's sorted.
Yeah, it's
So
sorted, but
that
like you can
four,
skip numbers.
that purple four, what's that value gonna
Oh, okay. I see you. You're gonna use the sword. Okay. Wait a minute. Yeah, we can compare each of them, no? Be like 1 1, right? Point to 1 2, and then you can say 2 to here, here to 3, and then we can move the pointer over here. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, I'm trying to think it now. So then 3 is greater than 2. So the 2 red points to 3, and then you move both of them, and then you check.
Which one is
Uh,
which?
you check. I wonder if you have to interchange them. Like, let's say you point red to purple. Then that means you check the next value of purple to red, or maybe that doesn't matter.
What do you mean? Like you
Like,
checked this one already?
like, like we could have it like only purple checks to red,
Okay.
or what if we could check red to purple? But that doesn't matter, right? Like it's the
I
same
don't think
thing.
so. I don't.
It's like
Yeah, I don't
it's
think
the
so.
same check. Okay. Okay. Um. Right. You move both of them after each
Mhm.
iteration, and then
Mhm.
okay. So
And we just check which one is the smallest. Whichever is the smallest, we point to it. You get me?
hmm
And then this one points down to this one.
but would it be
It's
the same
automatic.
if you just point the purple four to the red four?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because in that case,
Like
we don't have to
this.
create a pointer to that purple four. It's already connected.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then what's the? Did they have another picture? Another example?
Ooh. No.
No. All right. Let's try. Let's create our own then. Let's
Okay. Let me see.
with some different values because that
All
seems
right.
to work right there. But you did bring up that thing. I wonder if there's a. Although it wasn't.
Yeah, but no, you're right though. You're right. Since they're like ascending,
Uh,
right? Since they're already in order, it shouldn't really matter. All
I have a quick
right.
question.
Yeah,
Why aren't you making them full circles?
because if you do full circles, you get like this little shade.
Oh.
Yeah, that's one thing I hate about this
But
thing. You can't,
no,
man.
look right there on the fill option.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh, you're smart. I see.
It's all good, man.
Thank you.
You're scaring me
Alrighty.
for a bit, man. I thought you were a psycho.
I'm not that psycho. I'm not that psycho. Alrighty. So what numbers? Pick and choose. Pick and choose.
3, 5, 8, 10.
10.
All right, you choose the next one.
All right. 3, 4, mm, 5, 11. Like
Okay.
this. Alrighty. So, how would this work? So, we start with these two. We have two
Yep.
pointers right here.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. Temp 2, temp 1. Right?
Yep.
I'm going to create another linked list over here. Just so
The
we have like
final,
a
right?
bunch of arrows. Yeah. So, we have 3, 3. They're the same. Right? Or we choose the smallest one. Right?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. We choose the smallest one, or if they're both the same, it doesn't really matter, right? So I'm just gonna create a side note. Choose smallest. So we choose smallest,
Wow.
and then move. No. Points to other node. But not lie, bro. My writing's getting a little bit
It's
better.
getting better, man.
It's getting
I
better.
see
It's getting
improvement.
better.
I don't even know if I know I talk a lot of smack about your writing, but I'm sure my writing
You do.
will be really bad.
Nah, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So we choose the smallest, right? 3, or we choose if they're both equal, we choose the third,
Okay.
the one of them, right? So we go here, and then we point down, right, to the other node, which is 3,
Okay.
right? And now we move. Now we're both. Now we're here. You get me? 5 and 4. We choose the smallest one. 4.
So in this case, but you'd have to move that temp prior to assigning it to that node 3 at the bottom, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yes. Or we can create another linked list, right? Where we just have to. But I don't think so. I think we can do it with the linked list. We just have to make sure we keep
You
track of
move the
which is which.
temp and then before you point it. So there might be
Yeah.
another temp. Or
Yeah.
no. You
No, I
could,
think we're good. I
because
think
it's a
we're good.
temp, you can move the actual head, right?
No, we don't move the head, but we can move like prior to change the pointing. We can move the temps first, and then we can switch it up. You get me?
Which is using the head to switch it up.
Uh, no, we can do. Uh, oh, that is true.
Right? Because the head and the temp will be there,
Yeah,
right? So you move the
yeah,
temp and then you just reassign the head. That's just for the beginning. From the rest on, you're
yeah, yeah, yep, yep, yep.
how would that work?
We can keep prev like another
Okay, oh
previous,
okay. Yeah.
like 2 points is called prev,
Uh-huh.
where we can keep track of those for sure. Um, but right now, if you want, we can do it like switch the lines and figure out like
Yeah.
what points we need and stuff.
Okay.
But for right now, the logic is this pretty much where we get 4 and then we point a 5, right? And then
So 4 is greater than 5, and then you move both of them again.
we pick and
And
choose the
then
smallest one.
5.
Then 8. Then we move these over here. We pick 10. Then we pick 11.
That works, right? That's not like.
That I think that works.
I feel like that was. Because when we first were working on this a couple streams ago, well, it was like. We thought, or at least I did, I thought of something so bizarre that was like, you got to make sure it's this before you do this, and you make sure it's that, and then before you
Yeah.
move it forward, you got to check 2 ahead. You got to check 2 nodes ahead, or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's kind of
me
making
too.
me think like I'm doing it wrong now because this was fairly like easy.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be more complicated, but I feel like this logic does work. I feel like this logic does work because, like you said, they're already in ascending order, so we can compare each node, right?
Uh huh.
What I'm not sure is if we get the same number of nodes.
Oh, you little punk.
You get me?
I mean, no, look
But
at
I
it right
think,
there.
yeah, right here. Yeah. So we can create a base case where we say, all right, we have to check if the temps, right, are no. You get me? And we have to prior of moving everything, we have to check, all right, is there a can we continue within this list? If not, we can pretty much, let's say this one doesn't exist, right? We have this node right here, we can instantly point this one over here. You get me?
Yeah. Okay.
Because we know for sure that's like
That there's
less than
nothing
or
left.
equal to 11. Yeah.
Yeah. Arafat said it's because you guys are smarter today than you were yesterday. That is true.
Hey, thank
Thank
you,
you,
Arafat. Thank you,
Arafat. We
Arafat.
needed that motivation. And you know, I just want to pause real quick. You know, I need to say something to Arafat. Arafat,
Yeah.
I saw that sticky note on the wall today where you said my to-do list was to make sure that I glaze Zion Williamson, and I just want to let you
Yeah.
know, I want to let you know that I actually did complete that. Look at my Zion Williamson Funko Pop, and on top of that, my Zion Williamson year calendar, if you could see. So I just want you to know that I am completing that task, and I did complete it. So I appreciate you looking out for it, brother. Yeah.
Glazing complete, bro.
And if
Damn.
no one if no one in the chat knows who Zion is, he's a basketball player. He's one of my favorites. But
Bro.
yeah. Anyways, sidetrack. Sorry.
Yeah, keeping on that sidetrack. Did you see yesterday's game
Dude, it was
with
really good. You saw it, right?
bro? I saw, bro.
Anthony
I
Edwards
hate
and
uh,
what's up? What do you hate?
Anthony.
Who do you hate?
I love the defense of the Nuggets, bro, but their offense, bro. Oh, bro, it was. I'm no expert, right, on basketball. It
Okay.
was my first time I saw like a game fully,
Uh huh.
but it was the worst defense I ever saw, bro. Like,
You
the
being
worst
serious?
offense.
Oh, the
The worst
offense.
offense. The offense. The defense was spectacular. I loved every single thing. Like
Okay.
it was a like Chinese wall defense.
Chinese.
When
Well,
it when
okay.
it when it came to the offense, bro, it was giving me anxiety, bro. A poor guy, or what's his Jokic? I think
Jokic. Yeah.
Jokic, bro.
Yeah.
Man was struggling, bro. He had like two defenders on him, bro. The other four guys, bro, they were just standing there, looking at him, not moving. They weren't creating space. They weren't creating opportunities, bro. Jokic was just like, oh, bro, I felt bad for the guy, man. And then
That's funny.
Murray, bro, he was going off on the second quarter, bro, hitting threes, fadeaways, bro. Then he disappeared on the third and fourth quarter
Do you
on
know
the
why?
3 minutes game. I don't know why.
Anthony Edwards was guarding him.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes. He said
damn.
he put
Okay.
him in handcuffs, man.
Ease, bro. Ease. Okay, I didn't
Yeah.
catch that one.
Yeah.
Didn't catch that
I
one.
didn't catch it either. So, but yeah.
Yeah, but no, Ant did go pop off in fourth
Yeah.
quarter though. He was going
Hey, we
crazy.
might need to start a sports podcast. You never know on the side. You
Ooh,
never know.
right here, hardworking geniuses sports special.
Yeah, sports special. Maybe we have some viewers that like basketball. Hey, don't get me wrong. I might be a coding nerd, but hey, I could talk some basketball, man.
Yeah, he does.
Don't get
He
me
can.
messed
He
up.
can.
Don't get me messed
He
up.
can. He can.
Anyways,
All
sorry,
alrighty.
sidetrack.
No, no worries. No worries. You all good. You all good. Alrighty.
All right. Well, I think that we just gotta, like you mentioned, account for the length and see if it's null, then that means you just point it to
Yeah.
the temp of the where the temp is at on the other list. You just point it there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
And
then
I think
what's up?
yeah. You know what else I should say?
I honestly I forgot.
No, I think it'd be easier if we created another linked list, like where we sort them out.
Oh, so you just add it to a new linked list?
Yeah, like a new linked list like this, right here, like this.
Okay.
Because it's gonna be difficult, because like figuring out. Yes, we can choose like, all right, 3 goes in here. Mm, but then this one has to point here, and then I don't know. I think it's gonna create a lot of confusion with like the pointers and stuff.
Couldn't you hold the node in a variable as like the previous?
We can, we can, we can. Mm, but I'm not sure how would that work.
You move the temp, or you store that node into a variable, and then you move that variable.
No, Airfat did give like a good suggestion. He said like to use the different pointer to hold an actual answer. So for that, we can have like another head. right, head or something
Uh
called answer. And for the beginning, we can say, okay, ans, um, whatever number is less than or whatever number we choose, we can set it to answer.
huh.
For
Okay.
example, in this case, we can set this one to answer, right? And then we can say answer dot next point here, right? And then we can just like keep track of that answer of the list of the answer. You
Yeah.
get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And we're not affecting the other arrays, we're just affecting the answer linked list per se.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm done with that.
All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. You ready, big guy?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's all or nothing. It's all or nothing. Alrighty. So how do you want to approach this part?
So we could
We
just, in general, just write our pseudocode. So like, compare, compare, two nodes, two, two linked list nodes together,
uh-huh.
and then add the lower,
Uh
yeah,
lower node to list and
and the higher.
the next node per se, not next node,
Uh, the higher node, or you could say add the
higher.
lower node to the list first and the higher node second.
Okay. Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
Like this. Yeah.
Yeah. And then you move. Well, you move the temps, right?
Yeah.
Temps to the next nodes. Yeah.
Right. You have to check if temps exist.
Oh yeah. Does not exist. Then you
Add list add
point
the rem. Uh huh.
point the temps next to the other temp. The other list is temp, right?
Point next to the. No, we could do add the remaining nodes of the second list to the list and list. If that makes sense.
Which means point the temps next, the temp dot next to the wait. I'm confused on that.
Because for example, here, if we remove 10,
Yeah.
we have to point. These ones are already gonna be in the list. We need these ones, so these ones have to go over here. You get me?
Oh,
So we
okay.
have to get the ants and point this right over here, which is temp.
Yes.
Yeah, temp. In this case, it would be temp. I'm gonna put temp right there.
Okay.
Yep, we good. We good.
Yeah, and I think you would check if temps exists. You could put the move temps to next node after that, right? After the
Where?
check on line 14,
Here?
we're checking temps
Oh yeah,
move.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
No, because we for sure gotta check if the temp dot next exists, right? Or
Yeah. No, we have to move them, and then depending if it exists, we move the temps. We move everything else.
but
You
in
get
order
me?
to move to the next node, don't you gotta see if it exists or no?
Yes, this is why this thing is right here, but this one comes over here. Oh, I think you're right. I think you're something like this.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
Check. Huh.
Huh?
Check if temp and temps is the node.next, right? Like that's what we're saying. Like temps is gonna check if temps exists. That means check if the
If
next node exists.
yeah, if this one exists, if this one exists, and then we move if this one exists, if this one exists, then we move if this one exists, and then if this one exists.
Okay.
Yeah, you get me?
Yeah.
Alrighty,
I just thought
alrighty.
of something.
Uh-huh.
This is for the people in the chat. If y'all are in here, I have a question. List. I think I don't know if me and Jose were talking about this or maybe a stream. List
Uh-huh.
out your coding pet peeves. List
Oh,
them out,
yes.
or just say your number one coding pet peeve if you have one. If you have a coding pet peeve, put it in the chat, please. I'll be interested to see. Anyways, I just thought about it randomly. My bad.
No worries, you're good, you're good. Alrighty. Yes, sir. Alright, so let's get cracking. Oh, okay. So we need a while loop. That's for
Okay.
sure.
Yeah.
Wait, first we have to set up our temps. Temp 1, temp 2, which are gonna equal to the heads. Oh, never mind. Like this. Yo, hey,
Yo,
bro.
he's looking at us, man.
Yo, he's looking at
He's
us,
looking
bro.
at
What
us.
the heck?
Airfat, you're looking at us.
Hey,
And
turn away, turn away.
AB. We sometimes do bad variable names. I can't lie.
Yeah, we do, we do.
Sometimes. I'm not saying all the time, but sometimes.
Sometimes, sometimes.
Who has a fountain? That might that might be me.
I think that'd be me though.
What are you talking about? Do you
Wait,
have
who has
something
a
going off?
fountain? I have my AC.
I have my fan
Was
on.
kind. Oh, really?
Is that what you're referring to?
I'm not sure.
Anyways, okay, my bad, my bad.
All right,
I got sidetracked.
all right, all right. No worries, no worries.
I could turn it
So we
off.
have our temp one,
Just in
temp
case.
two. Mm, alrighty, alrighty.
Hey, we might need to start commenting in
All
uppercase.
caps.
So wait,
All
Airfat.
caps.
So does that mean you're all caps type of guy, or like I'm confused. Like, or is it just
Imagine all of this, bro. All caps. We're like move temps to the next node.
like why are you yelling? Like
Mm,
why you gotta yell in your comments like that? You know, you gotta.
maybe it is to like make it pop out of the other, like of the regular code. Most of the code is lowercase, so
That's
I
fair.
don't know. Maybe.
Okay, where are we at? Where are we at? So temps,
Ooh,
list one,
okay.
list two.
Yes.
Yep, those are the heads.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then we're gonna do. You want to do the previous? Wait, we don't. We don't. Do we need previous?
No, you're
I
gonna
don't
add
think we
it.
need
You're gonna
previous.
create
A
a new
list.
link list.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna call it ants list.
Wait. Do we return a link list,
We
right?
return. Yeah, we return the head of a link list.
Okay.
We're gonna set it to none. All right. So while temp one and temp two, right? If both
Mm-hmm.
of them exist, right? We're gonna check if temp one is less than or equal to temp2 and list will equal to temp1, right? This is covering like if temp is less than 2, we go to temp1, but if it's equal, we can choose temp1 because it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
All right, so we got that, and then we go temp2 and temp1, and then we say um I think we do need ands temp because we have to keep track of the new node, which is gonna go to none, right? Because we have to keep track of the
Equals to ands list.
ands list, yes sir. Like this, boom, right?
Okay.
So we got the head now. Okay, give me 1 second. Give me one. Wait, no. This can be like this. Can it?
No, because you need to initialize ands list, right?
It's initialized to none.
But you gotta start it off. You gotta add. You gotta change it to an actual node.
Mm-hmm.
That this is. Hmm.
All right, Michael, I'm signing off for the day. I posted my solution to this in Discord so you can roast it after you finish this. We
All
appreciate
right.
it, Michael.
Appreciate
Thank you
it,
for the
Mike.
help. Take care. Have a great, wonderful
Good
night.
seeing you.
It's a restful one. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty. So, because we do need to keep track of the head. Um, let's see. Let's see. How do we do that? How do we do this? So we do temp1 equals list1, temp2 equals
Yeah.
list2. Hmm. Hmm.
Can you? Can you have like a if statement before ands list that says if temp if list one no yeah if list one dot val is less than list two dot val, then assign ands list with blah 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 or nah.
I see. I see. I see. I see.
That's
Like to
that's
start it off.
that's just like the
Yeah.
initial, and then
Yeah.
from there
Yep.
you
Yep.
say wow whatever
Hmm.
or nah.
I think you can to like start it off. Yeah,
Or is
we can
there
do that. We can
or
do
is
that.
there a better or is that a little messy? Don't you think?
Mm,
Because I feel like it is possible in a while
I
loop.
I do feel like it's possible too.
And also, if you
Mm,
say while temp one and temp two, then whenever temp one ends, that means the while loop's gonna fail.
yes.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Because then at the
Mm,
end, you would just point it the rest over to the.
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I think so. I'm not sure. Damn, this problem is
No,
confusing.
dude, we got it. Come
We
on,
got it though.
let's
We got
lock
it. We
in.
got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
I'm
We got it. We
locking
got
in.
it. Alrighty. 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 Alrighty.
So Anne's list. Anne's list is none.
This is
Why?
none.
Because there's nothing there.
Mm-hmm.
So then we have a temp because eventually we're gonna need to move to
Or
the latest. Go.
ants doesn't have to be none. Wait. No, I think it does have to be none. Because we're creating a new list. And then this new list is gonna equal to a head.
Why isn't there collaboration LeetCode?
Would that be nice, dude? Can we do that? Maybe premium might have it.
No way.
Think so.
Premium. I need premium just to collaborate on a like a Google Doc, you know.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ands
Oh,
list equals none. So while go do the jaw. You want to do the jaw?
let's. I want to draw it out and see where we at. Where we at? Because this thing is getting me confused. This thing is getting confusing me, and I don't like it. Boom.
What's the
Just
point
like that.
of seeing the stuff you erased? I'm sorry, I'm in
What
a
do
hating mood. Never mind, never mind. I'm gonna stop.
What do you
Oh,
mean?
I'm in a hating mood, man. You don't understand. I'm trying to find everything wrong with everything.
Why have a guy? Why have a guy?
I'm just so upset.
Why?
This problem is it's getting me angry.
Getting you angry? It's
No,
fine,
I'm
bro.
just
It's
joking.
fine.
I'm not
It's fine.
actually angry. But um anyways. Alright, let's see.
Make this bigger, just
Hmm.
like that. So we have
The only
ants,
the
right?
issue is the ands thing. Once
Yeah,
we
yeah.
once we we want to put the node 3 into ands. You put it and then wait
So
a
this thing
minute.
is equal to none. We have temp, right? Ants temp. Go to ants.
Uh-huh.
We say 3 and 3. We choose whatever it is. So ants we equal that node, right? So we can start it off. Hmm.
I think you could do
And
the pre-initialize and from there use the temp in your while loop.
okay,
And then
like get the head first.
get the head for ands and then from there you use the temp and the temp would be we'll start off on we'll make sure to
Mm-hmm.
push it to the next nodes.
Mm-hmm.
So it starts off there.
Mm. Okay, I see. I see. But I also think that we can change ants with temp, but I'm not sure though. Let's try it out your way. Let's see what
No,
you
you
think.
might be onto something there. I'm thinking about it. So ands temp equals temp one, and then you after that you say ands list equals ands temp.
Mm,
Yeah, right.
not quite. More like ants, since ants and temp are pointing to the same node, we can. Mm, yeah, I don't think it's. I don't think this one is gonna work though. The none.
Uh huh.
I think we do have to pre-append it first.
All right, let's do that then.
All right. So let's say if temp one and temp two. I have to check if they exist, right?
Okay. Another if
I yeah, if
dot val. Okay.
boom. Okay. Then over here we already have it, and now we just need uh
But also remember, you need to also add the temp
yep,
two or
yep,
right.
mm-hmm, yep.
Oh, yeah. Refer back to the other layout. Like,
Oh,
yeah,
like this.
yeah. There you go. There you go.
The hit screen. Yep,
Good
yep, yep.
catch. Good catch, Arafat. Appreciate it.
Hmm.
Right. Once you assign Ann's list equals temp 1, then you need to add temp 2 to it,
Mm-hmm.
and then just move assign Ann's temp to um to that part. No way. What happened? All right, nothing happened. We're good.
And list is temp 1. If it's temp 1, we have to point temp next. We go to temp 2 and temp dot. Wait. And list dot next temp 1 and temp 1. Now we have and temp. We go and list dot next.
Well, that
List
that
this.
that lies the other issue is that now. Oh, no, you're good. You're good. No, you're good.
I think it works like this, and now we just have to do temp 1. We go list 1 dot next. Temp 2. We go list 2 next. And I think we should be fine.
Yeah. Good stuff.
I want to print it out and see if it works.
Okay.
And so when it comes to these problems, oh no.
Oh,
Oh, I wait a minute. Oh no. This is I deleted out this code. How would this work with the loop? Like this? I see. Okay. Irfan, yes, we just want to see if this like logic is working for this first part, and then we're gonna implement a loop for sure. But right here we are getting a little bit of uh. Hmm.
what the?
Let me see. Let me delete all this. Okay. Okay, we did get a find the cycle in the list node. Uh,
I'm confused.
I'm confused
Go
too.
back to the other code.
Oh, I can take it. I don't think I can bring it back. Oh, this one?
Yeah. You can. Hmm.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But I think you lose the head. Once you do that, so you don't have like the head anymore. So I think that'd be I don't know if that will make it worse or better for us, like losing the head of the linked list. But if we are,
We
yeah,
definitely
you
need to
got me.
keep. We definitely need to keep the head for the ands list.
Yeah,
For
but
the
I don't think
list
we. I
one,
don't.
list two, I don't think we need
I don't.
to.
I don't think so. Yeah, you
After
got me thinking that.
initializing it. After initializing it, I don't think so. But why is it saying you can't go next? Is what I'm trying to figure out.
Cause it's. I think it's none or something of the sort. We got two lists. Then we got none. Then we got that one. We can choose which one. That one. Then that next. Next.
Go to the parameters.
Um.
Hmm.
mm,
Temp 1 and temp 2.
I don't
If,
think we need. Let me see. Can I try something real
yeah, do your
fast?
thing.
All right. Let me see. All right. Mm, to the val, right? We can go. And then we can say something like. Um, oof. Just because I'm trying to do it, if we can like play around with the heads. And list
Hmm.
equals list one. Then we can do something like. Oh, this thing I'm thinking, bro.
If it got you thinking, it got me overthinking.
Because the ants list, we could list one. Then we could go. Dot. It's because problem
List
is.
equals list
Mm,
1 dot next.
wait, I think we can do. Yeah, it's messing it up, shouldn't? It says I think the logic is almost there, but the ants list is messing it up. Shouldn't the ants list be initialized with an empty list node? Is that a thing? I'm not
Search
sure.
it
I
up.
haven't.
Can you
I'm,
initialize a linked list with none?
all right. Prepare for impact. Oh,
Ah!
oh, oh.
Prepare for impact.
uh, it says if you want to create an empty linked list and assuming head is given, we get head dot next equals none, current dot next dot next. Huh?
Huh? We might need to use the forbidden
The forbidden resource?
the forbidden resource.
No, bro, because once we open it, bro, we can go back.
It's a gateway.
Um, okay, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Because no data.
Yeah, you're right. Because we don't have. We're just creating a variable, and you can't say dot next to a variable. Like,
Wait, I think we can use this class as a. I think we can do this.
Arafat, you were correct.
Yeah,
You were correct.
because we are creating a linked list with this class. We're using
Yeah.
this class as a linked list. It's like a struct. Remember
Yeah. Yeah.
and see how we have structs?
Uh huh.
Yeah, we can. It's the same thing, and we can just set it up like that.
Because what we created was just a variable with the value
Yeah,
none.
none.
There's
Yeah,
no dot next to it. There's no.
exactly.
You gotta
Yes,
create the struct.
Uh-huh.
Good stuff, Arafat. Dub viewer.
Dub in the chat. Dub in the
Dub
chat.
viewer.
And now we can do. We can do. Let's see. I want to learn how this thing works. If you're down, I want to see how this thing works. Because if we understand how this thing works, we should
This kid.
be able to do.
That's how.
Uh,
What are you saying, bro? Kappa, cool man. I haven't heard that in like years, and I wasn't even a part of that environment. That's crazy. You brought back memories from just saying that. That was a long time ago. That was like early stages of streaming. I don't know. I don't even know if they still say that. What happened? What are you doing?
I'm just printing out this.
Uh huh.
Okay, never mind. Let me see. That next. Let me see. I'm just trying to understand this logic in here. How does it work?
Okay.
Okay. So we have 0, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, okay. It does work like this then.
All right.
I think it does work like this. Yep. So now we have an empty linked list. So we can do this. So now we can work with it now. Because now this thing is not empty. It's initialized to I think 0.
Uh
Yeah,
huh.
to val equals 0,
And next is none.
meaning yeah, next is none. Just is yes.
Good stuff.
To my understanding, so we do have this 0 here. I don't like that 0. We will see. We'll
Why
see how
don't you
this thing
like the
plays out.
zero?
Because let me see. Because it's always gonna be there. For example, if I run this, we get a 0 here. That next. Let me see. And temp.
I don't think you could sign a variable like that.
Really?
I don't think so.
Damn.
Actually,
Oh, wait a minute.
and an and temp dot next.
Yes. After this weekend, I just want to like know like how is this logic working? Because I know AirPad said do not worry about the 0, but I'm just a little bit worried about the 0 a little bit. But
That's valid. Dub validation.
ooh, Facts. All right, fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Alrighty. So let's see. Okay, now we have an empty list. We can work with it now. So we're
All
good.
right.
We're good. We're good.
We got that figured out. So now,
Oh,
for
okay.
future reference, to initialize a linked list, you need to create a struct, like in Python. And we overlooked that because we're like, oh, you just create a list like this. That's not the
Yeah.
case. Okay.
Doesn't work the way. Yeah. So now we can do a while loop.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
We can do. We do need the temps though. Do
Of
we need
course.
to the temps? I don't think we do need the temps. I think we
Why?
can work with the head because the heads because we're adding other nodes into
Mm-hmm.
the ants list,
Uh-huh.
so we can kind of like get rid of the list, right? And we're always shifting one forward, so we don't need to keep track of the list.
Okay.
If that
Yeah,
makes
that's
sense.
fair.
Yeah. So we can go. So we have to keep track of where list one, list two. If they're both right, both correct, if they both exist, right? And then we just implement our little strategy where it say we compare both nodes. Like this, and then we
And
say
temp.next equals list one. Okay.
and then we do so now we have one, right? We have like the 0, then we have list one, right? The node with the value. Now we want
Uh-huh.
to move ends to that value so we can append the other value, which is the 2, like this. That makes sense? A little
Yes.
bit?
Yes.
Yeah?
Wait.
Okay.
No. Let me
Uh-huh.
redo that one. Ands temp.next equals list one.
Yeah.
List one is the whole list.
That is true. That is true.
Okay, and then you keep going. Ands temp, you move it over to the next one because you want to add the next node of list two.
Mhm.
But that's also the whole
Yeah.
list.
Yeah. I get you. I get you.
So in
So
that
we
case,
can.
we that's why we do need those temps.
Yeah. Yeah. I
All
see.
right,
I see. I see.
I'm about to break something. Change my
Yeah, I don't like it.
change my insane level.
Switch it up. Switch it up. Yeah, I don't see this one. I don't see this one.
What are you at?
I'm like in a 7 right now, bro.
There. All right, I'm gonna put you
Bro.
as a 7. I put myself as a 4. Like
As a 4?
I'm not hurting, but I am annoyed.
No, my head is working overtime,
Okay,
bro. I'm
your head.
trying to like.
That means I need to get my head working. All right,
No, you good. You
give
good.
me
You good.
give
Take
me
your time. Take
parental
your time.
controls on this. I'm about to start going crazy. So let's put the temp. Let's put the temp.
All right, let's put the temp. Like this, right?
Okay. Yep. Now, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, yeah. I guess it's better to do that because then you got to move the temp over, and you don't want to keep using the list value. That's extra stuff. So, yeah, I guess then if temp one val less than equal to temp two val, then
Yeah.
you just replace those.
Temp 1, temp 2.
Yep.
Okay.
ASN temp.next. Um, ASN ANS temp.next. Mm,
We can say. Hmm,
honestly, can't you just say ANS temp equals temp one?
no, because that would be transferring the attempt to the other list. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about it. Tweak.
Orcus, you're right. We we should do a simple problem, but that's why we did our warm up earlier in the beginning of the stream. We did our warm up. That was our simple problem.
All right.
Oh,
So, yep,
yes, it
I
is
got this again.
blocked.
What do you mean?
Before there was no black like bars on the side. Now there is. I don't know. I finagled with it. I couldn't really figure it out. We
All right. Okay. Hmm.
should we explain the lines 30 and 31?
Yes. To this ones are pretty much to move the ends to the next node where we're gonna point. Since ends is on the head, we point head to the smallest one, right, of both of them. So we move temp to that smallest, and from there we point to the second smallest, so we can have like that chain. You get me?
We're trying to get the last node in that ands list,
Yeah.
so then
I
we
think we have.
could append something to it at the end. What's up?
Yeah. I think we have to draw it out. I feel like we rushed into it. We didn't really think it through that
What
much.
do you? I mean, I think we're there.
No,
What
we're
are you
there
confused about?
about the heads and stuff. I don't see that part. I don't.
Do you need to add me to that?
You want me to add you?
Add me to it. Yeah, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pass you. Can you switch the screen?
Yeah.
So, yep.
Do your thing.
Yep, you got it.
Uh, where do I check?
No, like the oh, you switched the screen already?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yep. All right. Okay, copy link. There we go. Yes. I'm gonna send it to you. All right, you got it. There you go. I sent it through the DMs
All
on
right.
Discord. Okay, Airfat. So since you pointed ends to next list one, then I think we need to iterate list one head now. Then, like you said, move ends to next. Since you pointed to ends next to list one, I think we need to iterate through it. No, yes, I think so too.
All right.
Okay, right.
All right. You see
Teach
me.
me the ways. Yes, I see you. Grand
So
Weasel.
so where are we at? Where you're mentioning? Go back to the problem.
Right here.
Where the other one?
Oh, there you go. My bad.
Where are you at?
Right here. This
Okay.
section. I'm still having trouble.
So we know that we assigned temp. Oh,
You know, you can switch color to like a reddish.
reddish.
Yeah.
Okay. We
There.
assigned temp
Mm-hmm.
one to the first node of
Yeah. I
list
get
one.
that. I get that.
Okay. Now where you're struggling is in the while loop, right? On
Yeah.
adding the what was it?
The heads.
The what was the exact code?
Oh. The
Ands
temp.
temp ands temp.next to list one.
Yeah.
Well, that should be
Because
switched to temp one because temp one holds the node.
yeah. I get that. I get that.
Okay, and then
And then wait. I think you're on to something. One, two. Okay.
after it's assigned to temp one, that one node, then you make ans temp equals ans temp dot next. It goes to temp. It goes to the next node, and then you assign.
Okay. I see. So for this one, we do ants temp next. So ants has 0, right? Has 0,
Mm-hmm.
and then we point this one to 3, right? We go all the way over here. Wait, let me put it right here. Ants, this one ants. Well, put this one right there. So we got temp. Uh, we point to 3, right? As soon as we point to 3,
Mm-hmm.
we want to move our temp over here, right? So we can know where we're at, right? And then we have two temps. Temp one, this is, I'm just gonna call it one right here. We have to move this one first, so we won't lose track of it, right? Track of what's the next one. And then as soon as we get temp one, we say temp dot next, point at this one, and then move this one to over here.
I don't think we have
You
to
get
do
me?
that. I don't think we have to
It,
do because you hmm.
yes, because when you do temp dot next, you're switching this one, you're switching this one to this red one over here. So this link disappears. You get me?
Full screen it.
What do you mean?
F11,
You want me to?
FN11,
Wait.
right? F11.
FN11. FN11. There you go.
Okay. Because the
Yeah.
code is saying we're doing one node at a time, like so 3 and 3. So we're doing. I'm gonna do a different color. We're doing this one right here and this one, and then we're like, okay, let's add 3 to the link list, and then let's add this one to the next one, and then you're just moving temp over to this, and then you're
Mm-hmm.
moving temp over to here, and then
Mm-hmm.
you're checking, add
And
it to
compare
this
those two.
one, add it
Uh
to
huh.
this one, and then you
Uh huh.
move, and then
Yeah.
add it to that, and you keep going.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what I'm confused what you meant about you need to make sure you move it first before you do that. What do you mean by that?
Because you lose this link right here. Once you once you lose this link, you can't go to 5 anymore. Because next is gonna be pointing to 3. Because it is a part of the link list. Now it's the link list is 3 3, right? This is not part of the link list anymore. You get me? And now temp, this case, and temp is gonna be here, right? Ready to point to whoever, 5 or 4. Does that make sense?
Hmm.
Because you're gonna lose that that link between the 3 and 5. There's no more link here because now this link is gonna be part of this one over here. You get me?
Okay, how about hear me out on this one? Hear me out on this one.
Hmm.
I thought of something. I don't know if it works yet, but
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
so let me erase these real quick.
If you press 0, you can erase everything. Like you just
0?
press zero, and you have like the eraser,
Oh,
and
okay.
just like hold it down, and you can like drag and select everything that you want, and just like
Okay. So here's our ands, right? Our final list.
yeah. Do you mind doing it
Ands.
on red? Cause I
Yeah.
have it on black on the black background.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, my bad, my bad.
Okay. So A and S, right?
Yeah.
So this is the link list, right? So it's gonna point. Move your mouse.
Oh, yep,
Oh,
yep,
you're
yep.
good. You're good. Then it's gonna point to 3. Okay.
Mhm, mhm. If you want, you can do the arrows, so it could be better. Like point to node 3.
Hold on. Let me think. Well, let me figure out what I was gonna say. So it's gonna point here and points to this, and then this. Man, I had an idea, but I completely lost it.
Yeah.
Mm, there was an idea where where
3 points to this down 3.
oh, I got it. I got it. I think I got it. So then now you're saying okay. So there's a temp. There's gonna be a temp for ands, right? Like I think we
Mhm,
have.
mhm,
Once it points to the node that it finds, right?
mhm,
So it's gonna go here. So this one is gonna go here. Okay.
mhm,
Then temp moves. So now temp
mhm,
moves to this one. And
mhm,
then now this one is gonna point to the next one,
mhm,
right?
mhm.
And then
Okay.
so the ands is pointing to it. And then that means you can move these temps down here. Temp, and then you can move them, right? I'm just thinking out loud. You move them to here.
Mhm. Yeah.
Now the similar thing. So since this one is now at 3, it has 2 3s now. Now you move this temp,
Yeah. You move
you
it over
move it
here.
here,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then it points at the lowest one. The low,
Uh
and
huh.
then so on and so on. How would that work? Would that fix that little issue?
Um. It's because the thing is, right? Um. It's because you're not. My approach, you're not creating new nodes, but you're just using the nodes you have in both linked lists. You get me?
So this would be creating new nodes.
Yeah. I feel like that'd be creating new nodes. Because my approach is like ants. This ants right here, I'm gonna do it in orange, right? It's gonna point a 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Temp is gonna move over here, right? Now this 3 is gonna point to this 3 over here, right? And now this 3 is gonna point to this 4. This 4 is gonna point to this 5, right? And on the way, we're deleting these connections. Well, not that connection, these connections. And then from 5, we're gonna print 5, and we're gonna delete this connection.
Uh-huh.
Do you get me?
It's
And from
because it's because we
uh huh,
made this like solution because we're like, oh, we didn't want to have the previous.
yeah,
We didn't want to have that.
uh huh. And I
But we
don't think
still
we
need
even
to do that. We still need to
we don't.
what's up?
Well, with this approach, we don't even need temps. We can use the heads, like the heads of the list one, list two.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah, okay.
I
I
mean,
I
I don't
gotta
know.
pick up my stuff. I got hurt right there. My brain got
No,
hurt.
no, no.
My no,
No,
I'm saying my
no, no,
brain
no.
got hurt. My brain got hurt.
No, my God,
I was thinking
no.
too hard. I was thinking too hard.
No, it's alright. No worries, no
Ugh.
worries, no worries. So, yeah. So my approach, it's basically going to three, right? Yes, we go to three,
Mm-hmm.
right? Like you said, we move temp over here,
Mm-hmm.
right? Temp, and we say, okay, now we're a temp, but we also have to connect this one over here. Yes.
Yeah.
So just say connect temp.next point to here, right? Which in this case is gonna be it's gonna be this temp over here, right? It's gonna point
Mm-hmm.
to this temp. Yeah. Once we point at it, we have to move temp over here, right? So now we have our new temps. And once we create this link right here, we delete this
Okay.
one, right? It deletes by itself, right? And now we're gonna say, all right, and now we're gonna move temp again to this one right here. So now temp is over here. Now we say, all right, which ones of these is less than? Or 4 is less than that. So we say temp.next is gonna equal 4.
Mm-hmm.
So we point this one over here. You get me?
Yeah. No, I
Yeah,
get
like
you.
that. Boom. Now we move this temp over here, right? And 4, and then as soon as we get this 4, we point this one over here, and now we move this temp over here. Now say which of these is, and then we move temp over here. And then we say 8 or 5, we go to 5, right? Temp.next, we equal temp, we move it, then we move temp. Then we move 8, then we point to 8, and we move temp to 8. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my approach.
All right. Let's do it.
Yeah, are you sure? You
Yeah.
down?
I'm with you. I like it.
All right, bet. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh.
Bro, I thought this one's gonna be easier,
Dude,
bro.
I thought that's why I'm upset, man. I literally said, "Oh, it actually." Well, last time we thought about it, I was like,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
overthought about it. Now we got it so easy. And then, what do
Nah.
you know? Or maybe we did have it easy and we overthought about it right now.
I think we overthought about it. I think we rushed. I think we skipped the step of drawing out the nodes, like the pointing and the pointers. You get
Uh
me?
huh.
I feel like that would have made it easier. Because we did get the logic right, though. I feel like we did get the right logic, but just the node part, that's where we got to. All right, so here, and some next is going to equal temp 1, right? So it's going to move from here. Right, let me delete this, all of this, all of this, all of this, all of that, all of that, all of that, all of. Wait, not okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, like this. Go like that. We go
Okay.
right here,
Mm hmm.
and we're gonna say and temp next equal and temp dot next equals temp 1. So in this case, temp dot next,
Mm hmm.
right? It's gonna point this way, like this. Point that way to 3 in this end. In
Okay.
this case, yeah. Now and stop next and start temp equals and start temp next.
Yeah.
Now here we're gonna move over. Whoa. We're gonna move it over here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now and stop. Then when this is next and uh dot next is gonna equal temp 2, right? So now we're creating a link right here. We're creating this link right here, right? And now we're gonna move our temp next over here. You get me?
Yes.
Yeah. and then it's just gonna repeat like this. So now temp.next equals temp2, and now we say and temp.next we equal and temp, like that. Boom.
Or
The uh-huh.
ands temp equals ands temp dot next.
And temp equals and temp. Okay. And temp
Or
equals and temp.
ands. Wait,
Yeah, I think so. Uh
you're trying to
yes, yes, yes,
equal.
yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, because I'm trying to move it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, yep, yep. You're right. You're right. Thank you, thank you. Like this. Yeah,
Okay.
right here. Boom, boom. And then
Yep.
else, right? We're gonna do the same thing, but just in reverse.
Yeah.
Where it's gonna be and something x
Temp
on
two.
2. This is gonna be 1.
Okay.
You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Now, so 'cause since and sub next equals 2, then we move to that one, and then and sub next equals times 1, and then we move that. Yes, that makes sense. Now over here we go and temp. No temp. No, 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 no. It's not temp 1. Is it temp 1? Why am I using temp 1? It's there. You go. Okay, that makes sense. That makes
But isn't that
sense.
the same issue that we had? That it will be the
Um.
whole list.
Um. Would it? Yes, 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 yeah. Here, because I think we panicked with this issue. We did because now ends temp,
Mm-hmm.
right? Temp is pointing to the entire
Entire
list right here.
list.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Well,
But
then
as
that's
soon as
okay
yeah, that's okay.
because
Because as soon as we move temp over here,
you're gonna
we
move it
say,
to.
yeah, we're gonna move this link over here.
Mm-hmm.
By the time we have that link over there, temp.next, it's already over here. The head is
Okay.
there. So we have that marked. We actually
Okay.
have to code that up.
You need code
As
to iterate it to the next node, right?
Yeah, yep, yep, yep. Before I think it's here. Um,
You need another temp.
mm, uh, no, we just move the head. The head
Oh,
list
okay.
one, we just move it. Yeah, and it's gonna be before we do a connection on temp 3, which is here. We're gonna go list one dot next. List one we go list one dot next. Right there. Here list two we go list two dot next. Like that. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, and now we're just gonna keep doing all that, and we're gonna return at the end of there and list.
There's. I'm gonna be pissed.
I don't know if that works, bro. I'm not sure, bro. This is I put it up my sleeve, bro.
Yeah, my confidence is shot right now, Orcus.
Yeah, yeah. Mine too. Mine too. I'm dead over here. I'm dead.
I don't know
But it's
if
because
you're
I don't.
here earlier,
Uh
Orcus, but we want to have like some segments into the stream, so maybe that could act as like a break because
Yeah.
we're thinking about doing like a wheel, like a challenge wheel,
Mhm.
and then maybe whenever we're having like a break, like our head hurts, we spin the challenge wheel to kind of like get our mind off of the problem, and then we come back to it after the challenge is
Yeah.
done. Maybe there's something there. I think that could be
Yeah.
that could be interesting. So
And
uh,
actually, for next stream, I'm gonna try my best to implement like um those little problems, like those easy problems that we can do like maybe not in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but like in 15 minutes, right? 20 minutes. Like I'm gonna choose like one easy, one complex, one easy, one complex, where we have like that intermediate space, right? Where we can like relax, chill, and then you know get that confidence up while we get the challenges prepared and stuff. If that'd be nice. I don't know if
Yeah,
you want to
I
first,
like
but
that. That sounds like a interesting.
all right. Okay, I'm gonna run it. Hopefully, hope for the best. Bro, I don't want to see red. Oh, we got an infinite loop, bro. Mm. Mm.
Oh,
Mm.
imagine it came back green. Everything.
Oh, bro. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead.
Ah. Oh,
Bro, they're like our pain,
dude, we're
bro.
not leaving this stream without finishing this one. We wanted to do this one for the past 3 weeks, and okay. Who left earlier that said, "Oh, you could check out my code once it's done"? That was Michael.
Michael,
So you're
Michael,
saying
Michael,
Michael
Michael.
already finished this?
Mike already finished it,
Oh, I'm pissed.
and he left, bro. He
He
left
said,
us.
"Oh, deuces.
He
I'm gonna
left
catch
in the
y'all.
dust, bro.
I'm gonna catch y'all
He
later."
left
You
us in
know.
the dust, bro.
Oh, and then he was like, and then cherry on top is, "Oh, the code's in the Discord, by the way, if you want to go check it out." Man, oh shoot.
Oh my god.
All right,
Damn.
I'm back.
What?
No,
What's
there's
wrong
something
with
there has to be something minute here that we'll figure out real quick. I don't. Sometimes I don't really. I'm not really scared of these infinite loops because
Yeah.
you could find where they go infinite fairly easy. I'm just hoping that there's not more problems after that.
Mm-hmm.
So, mm, mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
List one dot next. You
What if
moving
we
it over?
remove? What if we remove the while loop and see if it works for the first two?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Run,
Oh.
run.
Hey.
Whoa,
Oh.
whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. There you go. Little
Okay.
panic. Okay, here. That's not trivial value. None type. What do you mean none type? What do you mean? What do you mean? Tutun, tutun. Ah. Oh, we have to check if they exist. Okay. Okay. Um. Let's do. Yeah. Let's put all of this in here. There you go.
Or couldn't.
Just,
Do,
huh?
nothing.
Okay. So here, what did we get? We did get 1, 1. Alrighty. 3, 4. Okay. Rule number 1. Check base case. Okay. Okay. So we did get the first couple. Right. What if we repeat this one more time? What would
I
we
mean,
get, bro?
we got one,
Yeah,
one,
we got
three.
1, 1. We got 1, 1, 2, 4. What if we repeat it one more time, bro? I think we just copy paste our way. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Let's see. Let's see. I just want to make sure. Oh, if I'm the cycle.
Airfat said,
Okay.
"I think line 32 and 33 is the problem here, and 38 and 39,
Damn, bro. Damn. 32, 33,
and
38.
from
Okay.
line 21 to line 43." Just say that.
Not from line 1 all the way to 44. Okay, so here. Okay. Mm,
Ands temp dot next.
It's because in this place we have to move because temp is here. Okay, delete those lines and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna trust you, Arfat. I'm gonna trust you. I believe in you. No, we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Let me see. Let me see. Let me try repeating this code once again. I'm gonna switch it up to a while loop right now. Okay, I feel okay. Let me see. Oh my god, bro. I think.
There's no way.
Wait a minute.
1, 1,
1, 1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
4.
We got 4.
Okay.
We got. Okay. Okay.
There's no way.
Okay. Okay. What do we click?
That I mean,
4.
what do you mean? That's right there. That's we. That it has. We're outputting what it wants, right?
Yes.
But
Okay. Okay. Mm, let me return.
Ands list.
Dot next.
What the?
Because we want to skip the 0. Remember we
Oh
have
yeah,
that
it's a
extra
0. My
0.
bad. My bad.
Yep. You see, we're missing
Okay.
that 4.
What?
Here we're making. Okay, this one I know for sure because this end, because it checks both of them need to be
Oh
they
yeah.
must have to be something. Here
Okay.
one
Yeah.
of them doesn't, one of them does.
Mhm.
So we have to check that part. We have to create a base case right here where we say um since we're already at the end, we say ends. Okay, if list 1, right? If list 1 exists, right, we can do ends list dot net no ends temp the next
Equals
equal to list
list
1
one.
so we can get the rest. You
Yeah.
get me?
Uh huh.
Yeah. Else low. Then we go if that should be
I don't think you should do else, right?
no
I think you should just do 2 ifs because that
if
means it's
okay
always
sure.
gonna do something.
Okay, facts, true, you're right. Okay, like this. Yep.
Wait.
Okay,
We need to see if it's false, right? If list 1 is false, is none.
yes, if list 1 exists and the other one doesn't, right,
When list
we
one's
append when, or we can say when list 2 equals equals none, right?
yeah.
Yeah, so make it a little bit clearer like that. Yeah,
Okay.
we run it, we get some right.
There's no way.
Bro,
No, I'm not. I don't even. Don't click submit, dude. We need to add some more cases. Are you praying?
I'm thinking about it, bro. I'm thinking
Okay,
about it.
think about it.
I'm praying and thinking, bro.
Let's look at case 1. How did that all
Let's
of a
look at
sudden
case.
fix? How did that all of a sudden fix? How did 4? How did 4 just automatically get added to the end? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Before those if statements, it wasn't there. Now you have those if statements. Oh, the 4 is back. All of a sudden, it wanted to join the party. It's like, oh, you got it right finally. It wants to join in while we're doing good. Like what? Where did that come
Cause
from? How did that get fixed?
because we choose one, right? We choose one of them, right? When they're both equal, right? Because 4 is equal. So in that case, list one, right, moves one forward, right, which is none,
Okay.
which is at the end of the base case. We enter the while loop.
Uh,
List one is none. We jump out. We break out of the while loop. We say, okay, list one equals none. So we add the rest of list two, which is the
oh.
4.
Cause of okay.
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah, yeah.
So it don't matter if they're the same length. There's still one list is gonna be equal to none because
Mhm.
that's how the while loop works. So
Yeah,
it won't get a chance to do the other side. It's because the
yeah,
and. Okay.
pretty much. Exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
That I was like, what? Like, how did it all of a sudden just be like, oh, I want to join the
I
crew and stuff, you know?
I do wanna learn why these like the lines Airfat told me to delete line like I think it was 32 and 30, 32 and 33 because I thought they were working because it was ants.next list because it was something like um
Don't bring that dirty code into our.
I am brother I am damn I don't know why I'll check it afterwards after we submit
Okay.
I'll go back.
Make
All
sure you
right,
run it
ready to
again.
submit.
Make sure we didn't accidentally change
Okay,
something.
okay, fair enough, fair enough. Or now we got an infinite loop. Oh, I
Wait.
deleted a line.
Oh!
I deleted a line. I deleted a line. I deleted a
I'm
line.
so glad
I
I asked you
deleted
to
a
do
line.
that.
I deleted a line. No.
I would have freaked.
Okay,
Okay.
ready?
Okay.
I
Is
submitted.
life beautiful?
Let's go, bro. Let's
Good
go.
stuff.
Let's
Good
go.
stuff.
Let's go. Let's go.
Good
Let's freaking
stuff,
go.
man.
Let's go. Alrighty. Oh my god, bro. I'm
Dub
shaking,
viewers,
bro.
man.
I'm
Dub
shaking right
viewers.
now. I'm
Holy
shaking right
smokes,
now.
man.
I'm shaking.
That was annoying. We got
Thank you to
pogs.
Orcas and thank
Some
you to
pogs in the
RFAT.
chat.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey, Kai, you only join when we have success, man. We need you to be here during our failures, during our pitfalls. You always come in when it's happy over here. We need you to be with us through the dirt. That's fake, man. Fake viewer. L viewer.
Viewer. Yo. Damn.
All right, we don't gotta go too far. We don't gotta too. Hey, chill, chill, chill. Yo, yo. I
Yo.
was just joking,
Yo, chill.
dude.
Chill.
We need you.
Chill out. Chill out.
Okay, you want to
Okay.
explain it, man? I think you'll better explain it than me.
It's because I
You
wanna
well, first we gotta figure out why that
yeah, I wanna see that. Because I felt like that was I don't know, in my head it was working this part right here. So we say temp.next. Okay, so if it's less than, so we point to that one, and then as temp we go as temp next, next. Then we roll, but as temp next, we go to our next list one. Okay. Huh. I feel I feel like this one didn't work. Hmm.
So this
Gummy.
method right here was doing both at the same time.
Yeah.
It was applying both nodes to ends temp rather
Mm-hmm.
than one of them and then doing the loop again and then doing the other one because it's obviously greater than.
32 is basically overwriting the logic you did on line 29. 32. Okay. Right, right, what Carlos said. Okay. So, okay. So it was like kind of overwriting it? Huh. Okay, I think I see it. I'm not sure.
Wait,
I
wait,
still
wait.
don't see it.
It's almost there. Hold up. It's almost there. Andstemp.next equals list1. Andstemp equals andstemp.next. List1 equals list1.next. Andstemp.next.
No.
Oh,
Uh
you need to have
huh.
andstemp equals. Oh wait, no, never mind. Oopsies.
Give me 1 second. I'll be back. Give me 1 second.
Okay. John Pork is calling. Who gets that joke? Please, someone. Oh man, that's crazy. It's hard to explain over text. Airfat, join the Discord, man. Hop in. You're probably all ready for bed and everything, in your PJs and stuff. Man, well, let me try to figure this out though. Ands temp dot next.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, ands temp. I'm in, bro. Oh, wait a minute. I don't even know you're in. Where are you at? I don't see you.
Let's see. Everybody's gonna join the call?
No, I don't know about that, but he says
Oh, okay.
he's joined the Discord.
Already. Okay.
I don't even know what your name is. Do you know who John Pork is?
No. He's
Oh,
orange.
orange.
Oof. Oh, I see him. He's on the helpers.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay, that's you. Nice. Anyways,
Alrighty.
I was looking at
Okay.
the.
Uh huh.
I couldn't
Yeah, I felt. I don't know.
because
I couldn't
you
see.
move ands temp to equals and temps dot next, right?
All right. It's say you want to print one and you assign A to one and give A to two and print A. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. I see. So, uh, okay. I think I see you. I think I see you, Orcus. And top next equals list one, so you point to one. And start depth equals because you move one. List one, we go to the next, and the next we go to list one, and the next we go to one to two to two. I think this thing instead of pointing to like whatever one is or whatever that we want to point to list one, it reverts back and points to list two. If that makes sense. Like instead of pointing to one, right? It points to one, but then it points to two.
Hmm.
If that makes sense.
Because I thought that since you're saying on line 30, ands temp equals ands temp dot next. Ands temp dot
Yeah.
next equals list one.
Yeah.
So couldn't you just say ands temp equals list one?
And stamp equals list one stamp equals list. You could, yeah.
And
Think so.
then ands temp dot next equals list two. And then ands temp dot next. Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, and
And
ands temp dot next equals list two. And now you're at.
yeah. I'm just gonna paste this here before I lose it. Yeah, but I think what um Orcus was saying was right, where he ends is pointing to list one, then ends temp equals ends temps two, but then ends top next points to list two. That's because I thought like
I thought you
ends
move
temp.
ans10.next. I thought you move it to the next one,
Yeah,
and you're
you
saying it
moved it.
equals to list two. So
Yeah.
whenever you say ans, because I'm confused, because you wanted to move ans10 to ans10.next, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you moved it away because before it was equal to list one, and then you move it over one node, and then you want to equal that node to list two.
Yes.
But
Where ends
and
temps next is list two, then ends temp we move to that first node, but somehow it doesn't work
it
like that.
doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
And why? Like you move. That's what I'm
Yeah, like
confused now.
because
Because
I
you
thought you
moved it
moved.
over.
Yeah, because I thought you moved to one, right,
Uh
and then
huh.
from one you moved to two.
Yeah,
But
and
no,
then
you
you want
moved
to
to
add
one.
list two to that two,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
But
move
it's
it to
saying
one,
you're
and then no,
moving.
it's weird, bro. It's weird. Let's just accept the fact that we that we solved it, that we
Ah,
learned how to create linked lists, and that to never do this again, ever, ever, ever.
you don't know who John Pork is?
John Pork,
Yeah,
John Pork.
yeah.
Nah,
The TikTok sensation.
nah.
Oh, okay,
I know. No, 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 no. I don't know anybody. Yeah,
okay,
John Pork.
yeah.
Hmm. What content does he do?
Uh, well, if you search on Google, right there.
Can I? Is it
Yeah,
safe?
yeah,
John Pork, like
yeah,
PORK.
yeah, yeah. Go to image. Go to images.
Oh, oh, what? Wait,
Yeah, John Pork.
oh. Bro, that's scary, bro. This is scary,
Oh
dude.
man.
Oh,
I'm
bro, this is
sorry.
gonna
All
creep
right.
me out, bro. This is gonna creep me out, bro. Nah, dude. Nah, bro. You're crazy for that.
Oh.
You're crazy for that.
Oh, that's funny, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny. what about
Leaf was hell no, bro.
What about Marvin Beak?
Nah, but I'm not gonna trust you, bro.
You don't
That's
know who
bro.
Marvin Beak is?
I don't know what Marvin Peak is, bro. You want me to
Dude.
search it up?
Yeah, search on Marvin Beak or John
Bro,
Pork and Marvin Beak. Like
nah,
they're
nah,
buddies.
bro.
They're buddies.
I don't
Trust,
know, no,
trust.
bro. Bro, John Pork gives me the creeps, bro.
Bro, they're John Pork and Marvin IN.
Marvin.
Yeah, Beak. BEAK. Get ready to
Okay,
close
ready?
that tab just in case.
Oh, bro. No, bro. I'm feeling. Nah, bro. As soon as you
No,
said
there's
that, I was like,
no,
nah, bro.
there's
As soon
nothing
as you said
bad.
that,
There's nothing
bro.
bad. I swear.
As soon as you said that, bro.
I swear, I swear, I swear. I wouldn't show that to our
Bro,
stream,
what
man.
is this, bro?
There you go.
Nah, bro. That's creepy, bro.
They're just
Nah, dude.
friends, man.
Nah, bro. That gives me nightmares, bro. What the heck? What is it, bro? What are you watching, bro?
Oh
Nah.
man.
What
Oh,
did
that's
you?
so funny.
But what do you?
Okay,
Nah, bro. That's creepy.
they're TikTok sensations, man.
I don't know what TikTok, bro. I don't know what your feed is, bro. Mm,
Anyways, oh
mm.
man, that was so funny. It's because okay, here's why I mentioned them. There was a
I'm a
meme.
hater, bro. What do you mean I'm a hater?
There's a meme or there was a meme on TikTok where it was that
Uh
like
huh.
Samsung ringtone,
Uh
the
huh.
one that you heard right now, like at your house,
Yeah.
and it
Yeah.
was saying like John Pork's calling, like that's the meme, and
Oh.
it's just that picture, and it says he's calling, and they did this
Oh.
whole storyline saying like John Pork died or he got shot and killed or whatever, and like there was this whole like news thing on TikTok. Anyways, it's nothing significant. Like nothing
Yeah,
significant.
yeah,
It's just a
yeah. I
little
get you.
character or a trend. It was the
Yeah.
funniest
Nah.
thing ever. And I heard that ringtone and it reminded me of John Park, so that's why I mentioned it.
Dude,
Sorry.
I don't know, bro. The face, dude.
It
I don't
definitely
know.
is looks a little scary.
It's like something. Mm,
That was
mm.
so funny, man.
I'm gonna be
All right.
haunted, bro. I'm gonna be haunted.
What
All
now,
right,
man?
bro.
What now? You wanna what's your timetable, man?
My timetable. I think I could do one short one, one short one,
Easy,
one easy,
easy.
easy, like easy to ease things out. Let's follow orcas. No,
No, we'll do one
orcas.
easy, one more
One
easy
easy.
Orcus.
Yeah, one more orcas, one more easy. We're gonna follow your tips, orcas. Ease it out. You know, system that out that print hello world,
Yeah.
something easy,
Or
something that
hello world parentheses print.
exactly, something like really nice, something easy, because we're gonna do this one.
Yeah,
But
we're gonna do this one right here. That's
I
on.
don't think you have the
Oh,
brain.
sorry. It's right here. There, it's this one.
Oh, there you go. We're
Scroll
gonna do
up.
this one. We're gonna do this one. But I don't have the brain nor the energy, and I don't think we're gonna be able to finish it in less than 30 minutes.
No.
Um, so I think we'll leave it to the next stream, hopefully. And yeah. All right,
One more.
let's
One
go
more.
and hunt
Yeah, let's go
for
hunt.
a new easy one. Oh, what is this one? I
Man,
like this one.
that was so funny.
Largest producer with this.
Oh, I haven't laughed that hard in
Okay.
a while. I need to look back on that. That was funny. Anyways, what is this?
Okay, it says. Oh, I think this one looks easy. Given an integer array nums that does not contain any zeros, find the largest positive integer k such that negative k also exists in the array. Return the positive integer k. If there's no such integer, return -1.
Bruh. You serious?
Okay,
Wait.
yeah,
Do it one more time. Read
wait,
it one more time.
okay. Given an integer array nums that does not contain any zero, find the largest positive integer k such that -k also exists in the array. So we have to find the positive integer, like to find the positive integer k, and also find if it has a negative.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. For example, this one right here we have 3, and we
Mhm.
also have -3, right? So there
Mhm.
is one. Right? We output 3. This case we have 7 and -7. We output 7. This case we have 8, right? But we have no -8, so we
Yeah.
print out -1. Do you get me?
Yeah.
All right. I think we could do this one. Orca said it is easy. I'm gonna trust them. All right.
Dude, my throat hurts,
This.
man. I was laughing too hard. I'm still thinking about it. Okay. Let me
No,
focus up.
no. All right. Bet. First try. Let's go. All right, our friend. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
No
So how do we find the?
way. Anyway,
No, I
sorry.
think I think he's telling us like first try, like us for first
Oh.
try. Aim for the first try.
Okay.
Yeah,
I thought you already solved it, Arafat.
yeah.
Okay. So, how are you thinking it? I have a way I thought of, but it might be a little annoying. But
All right, go for it.
I would like to hear yours first.
Find the maximum, right?
Yep.
Easy,
Yep.
and then say um and okay, to my maybe is the worst possible solution. Find the maximum, and then subtract each value, right, to that maximum, positive maximum. And if we get a 0, we found that there's a negative. For example, here we found 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
We add, because we're trying to get the negative, right? We add 3, -1. That's 2, 3, 2, 5. No, 3, -3. Yes, that's a 0. So we iterate through all of them. We add all the numbers to 3, right? And if we do get a 0, we found the negative.
Yeah.
You get
Okay,
me?
I don't want to say my solution anymore.
What is your solution? Well, let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
No, yours is obviously way better. I was
Nah, come
thinking,
on, bro. No
I was
judgment.
thinking
No
the same
judgment.
thing. You get the max, right? And then you check if the negative of that is in the the array. If not, then you go to the like you sort it. You sort it, and you get the max, which should be at the end of the
Mm-hmm.
array, and then
Ooh,
you check to see if that negative version
it's on the very
is in the
front.
array, huh?
I think that works. I think that works because if we sort it, it's gonna be the highest negative, like -8, right,
Mm-hmm.
would be in the front, and if 8 is the biggest, it's gonna be in the back. So we just compare the first two, the first one and the last one. If
Mm-hmm.
those equal to 0, we're good. I feel like your solution is better.
But there could be like that doesn't necessarily mean that if -3 is if 3 is all the way on the right, that there's gonna be a -3 all the way on the left. There could be a
Exactly.
-1.
That's why you add them. If you add them and they equal to 0, they mean that they cancel each other.
That's why I like your approach better. Cause I
But no,
was
we sort
okay.
it out. We're gonna get -3. In this case, we're gonna get -3, -1, 2, 3.
Uh huh.
We get the front one, the last one. We combine them, and if they equal to 0, meaning that we have a -3 in the front and -3 in the outside. And then we combine them and we get a 0. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I mean that works.
Okay. Orcus is saying to not sort it, to look at example 2. All right. Um. Okay. Okay. Both 1 and 7 have their corresponding negatives. Okay. I don't. Wouldn't sorting make this easier though? Since we have. Oh. Oh, I see. I see why we can't sort it. I see why.
I'm not catching it.
Because. Wait a minute. No, it should be no. Oh, okay. 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 I see. We have to find the largest. Um. Okay, I see. I see. We can sort it because we might get a 10, but we might not get a -10. You get me?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like
Yeah.
if you sort it, if you sorted, you got 10. Check to see if there's a -10 in the array. If not, then you keep going the opposite way. You keep going so down the line. So the next highest one will be 7. You check is there a -7? There is, and then you
Okay.
return
I
that.
see. I see.
Like because
Yeah.
if they're
I get it.
sorted, you start from the right, and
Hmm.
then if -10 is not there, then you shift over to the left, and then if seven's, and then the next one's 7, and then you're like, okay, is there a -7? And then you keep doing that.
Okay. I see. I see. So like a double
But
pointer?
no, but it's like just built-in functions. But your way works the same as well. Like
Yeah.
if 10 you sort it, if 10 uh hold up. If 10 plus the first index doesn't equal 0, then that means you keep moving the left index to the right. I mean the left side, the left pointer to the right, and
Hmm.
then it wait. Oh, maybe that might be a little more uh
Challenging.
challenging because if you're checking 10 for every other number, and then if that doesn't work, then that means you got to check 7 every other number. If that doesn't
Yeah.
work, you got to check 6.
I feel
Hmm.
like that would be like a what's it called, a double for loop, nested for loop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then
I'm down to do a nested for loop, but we also have to check, for example, in this case, one, a negative one. Um, we have to iterate through the entire list first, to an entire list, and then check if it's bigger than what we have already. For example, negative one that will give you 0, but we have 7 and negative 7. Bro, this is supposed to be easy, bro.
I mean, well, we know how to solve. Like, we know we could solve it, but it's gonna look very ugly. I'm trying to think of what's the best way. Hmm.
I mean, we could
Right?
sort it.
Because the first approach we're thinking of, if 3 doesn't match with any of them, then that means you go to 2 and you're checking 2 with every of them,
Yeah.
right? And that's.
Or we
I
can,
always thought that was bad. That there was also like there has to be like a better way than a brute force almost.
yeah. Or we can do double 2 pointers.
Mm-hmm.
Sort the array 2 pointers. Be like, we have like highest and lowest, and then all right, this one and this one. Do they subtract each other to 0? No. Move the right one to the left. They subtract each other? No. Move the left one to the right. Do they subtract each other? No. Move this one to the left. Do they subtract each other? No. Move the left one to the right until you meet up in the middle. If that makes sense.
Would there ever be a number that can subtract? Oh no, it can't because it is negative. Hmm. Yeah. I mean.
I think that
Hmm.
will work.
Hmm. -10, and then you're looking. You get maybe there's a -7. You know there will never be a -10 to bring it to 0. So that means
Yeah.
you
The
reduce
right
the
one to
10
the left.
side, the 10 side to the left,
Yeah.
and
Mhm.
then you check that, and then let's say it's 8, 8 and -7. There will
Yeah.
never be a -8. So that means you check the abs of it, right? You check the absolute value of, like, if they don't equal 0, and check the absolute value of, and if 7 is less than 8, then you move 8.
Mm, we can do that. Yeah. We can do that. Or we can say like if they don't equal to 7, right? If the value doesn't equal to 10, we move the left one. If it doesn't equal to 0, we move the right one. Get me?
If it doesn't equal to 10,
Wait. No, I don't think this will work.
I think you could check the abs, the absolute value of it,
We
and then
could, we could.
now after 8, let's say it's a 7, or no, let's say it's a 6, and then
Mm-hmm.
you're saying, okay, 6 minus 7 does it equal 0? No. Check the absolute value. Okay, it's 7. Is 7 less than 6? No, it's not. So then you move the left side. Now it's at a -5 or a -6, and you check is. I think that could work.
Check the absolute value.
The value, yeah. Once both values don't, like, if you subtract them or add them, whatever, if they don't equal to the 0, then compare the absolute value of
To
both of
check
them
which one we move.
to check which one to check if the left one is less than the right one. If it is less than the right one, that means you move the right one, the right
Yeah.
side in.
Mhm. Yeah,
And
yeah.
if it's vice versa, then you move the left side in.
Yes. I like that. I like that.
Okay.
Yep. I like that.
So sort the array.
What is it?
Pseudocode.
Nums.
We'll write some pseudocode real quick.
Yep.
So
We're gonna sort array.
yeah, sort array.
Right. Have 2 pointers.
Yep.
one
One left
at
side.
the start, one at the end. Move left side if apps value is less than move right.
Move
Move
right side, yeah.
no, we get to move left side because it's a left pointer or left pointer.
Well, you if the left pointer is less than the right one, you move the right one. If
Okay,
s- if -6,
right here.
yeah. If no, you could say if absolute value of left side is less than the right pointer, the absolute value of the right pointer, then you move the right side. Yeah, and vice
Then the
versa.
same thing. Yep. Alrighty.
Okay,
There we go.
and then
Uh,
if they both equal the same index, so I guess we have to have another check, right? If they
yeah,
if
we
they're the
can do it.
same index, then return none, or yeah, return -1. Oh, that's funny. Marvin Beak, man. John Pork.
Nah, bro. All right, so you sorted like this, right? Nums that sort.
Yeah, you gotta say an array, initialize an array equals nums that sort, right?
Oh,
I think.
I'm not sure. New R, kind of like that. And we're gonna go start. We're gonna equal to new R position 0,
Mm-hmm.
and we equal new R dot length. Like this, no? I
Len
don't know if it's
new R.
oh new R dot len.
No, it'll be len
Oh,
parentheses and then
okay.
new R, and then it
Like
would be
this.
-1.
-1. Perfect.
Yeah.
Then go. We need a while,
Okay.
while, 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 while start is less um than right,
Then end.
then end. Yeah, yeah, right. Because
Okay.
as soon as end
Is
becomes less
over.
than,
Yeah.
they overlap. And I
Mm-hmm.
think we can do equal right here. No, I think we can do it like this. Perfect.
Okay.
So if um okay, if abs of start is less than abs of end, we're gonna, if this one is less than, we have to
Well,
move right a little bit down.
you gotta subtract.
Okay.
Remember, you gotta have the case where if it equals 0, then return the value, and
Wait,
then
wait,
if
wait. Wait, give me 1 second. Sorry.
do your thing.
We here, if wait, I don't think so,
Remember,
because
we first gotta see if it equals 0.
but we can check if they're equal. If we're getting the absolute value. Oh, we
Oh,
had no. You're right. You're right. We have to check if it's 0. It's a if what is it? New R
Mm,
at position start, right?
yep.
Minus new R at position end equal 0. Return. What do we have to return? Return.
New R
Uh,
end.
I'm just gonna get the absolute value just in case, like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Else, if absolute value is this, we have to move end one to the right,
If absolute value of new R at start.
-1, like this, no?
Yeah.
Yep.
But
Okay.
it's absolute value of new
Yeah.
R start. And also I think it's math.abs or something like
Alrighty.
that. It might be. I get confused with the math function.
We can check right now. No worries. Like this, right? And then we go. So if I'm just gonna copy it right here.
Can't you just do an else?
I'm just doing just to make sure cause I mean we can do an else. You want to do an else?
I mean, if it
I feel
works either
safer.
way, I don't mind. I'm
I
just
feel safer
afraid.
this way.
I was just
But
afraid that is there a chance that it could do both of them or no?
mm,
I didn't think it through, but
I don't think so.
okay.
Um. mm, Maybe when they're equal, but when they're equal, uh, yeah, we can do an else just in case.
Okay.
Cause I'm not sure if when they're equal, it's gonna affect. But we can do this. Then, I think this should work like this. No, yeah. You gonna run it?
Yeah.
No. All right. Let's see.
I'm scared.
Okay. Uh. Okay.
That means the what's being printed, what's new R new AR. That means something's wrong with that one. I always get confused with those if you have to like equal it or because I know there's like a function that like you have to equal it or something.
No, I think it's this one. It's sorted nums.
Oh, okay.
So okay.
You could just do new array equals sorted nums, but that's cool.
Yeah.
I thought it
Yeah.
was gonna take a
We
lot
can.
longer to be honest. That was quick.
Now we just have a couple of things here. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. Orcus just mentioned it. Yep. 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 We got -1. We are getting -1 on each. Um. Let's see what we're getting. It's printed it out.
Oh,
Ooh.
what the? It doesn't count for the negatives. Wait.
Are we doing it right? Holy smokes. Alright. I think you do have to create a new array.
Okay.
Yeah, you do have to create a new array.
That's weird.
Thank
What
you.
the?
Yep. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. You got -1, but we could get -7. For okay, so for this case,
Okay.
we have -7, 10, right? Start is bigger than end, yeah. If new, okay, is this is false, right? Because we
Mm-hmm.
get -7, right? -10, this equals 3. So we'll go absolute of start, which is 7. 7 is less than 10, so we move 10 to 7. 7 is still yes if -7 and 7 turn absolute new array.
It's because you're saying -7 -7, which it should be a plus.
Oh, you're right. Maybe. Yep, there you go. Nice catch. Nice catch. Ready? Ready?
I'm not, but let's do it.
All right, bet. If this doesn't work, I'm going to bed.
No, you're not.
I think I am. Hey, nah, this is all you though. This is all you. You came up with this solution. This is all you, guy.
Yeah, it's all me, and it's all like the Mount Everest over here, our solution time.
Nah, bro, it's okay, bro. It's okay. We learned. We learned.
Oh, to
We
move,
learned.
move the, or zoom in on the. Yeah, there you go. Mount Everest
No.
solution and stuff. God. Thanks, Jose.
Yeah,
Appreciate you
bro.
zooming
I
in.
got you, bro. I got you. I can
I,
zoom in more.
we
I
needed
got you. I
that.
got you.
We needed to
Oh,
see
never
it.
mind. Making sure the viewers can see. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm
Oh,
kidding.
all right.
I'm
You
kidding.
want to explain it?
All right, yeah, for sure. So, all right. So for this problem for the new viewers that barely join in, resubmit. You want me to resubmit? I got you. I'll resubmit. I got you, Jonathan. What?
Hey, we're going down
Yo.
Mount Everest now. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you. Thank you.
I feel better
All right,
now.
so so for the new viewers like Jonathan that came barely joining the stream, this is our last problem of the night called is 2441 largest positive integer that exists with its negative. Pretty much, we find the largest. It's kind of self-explanatory from the title. We find the largest positive integer with its negative, right? If those two numbers can be found in the same array, we print out the absolute value or the positive number of that number, or we return -1. For instance, in this case, right, we got 10. That's the largest positive number, but it doesn't. We don't have a -10, right? So we go to 7, which is the second largest. 7 in this case does have a -7, right? So it meets this criteria that that we find the largest positive number that has its negative in the array. Therefore, we print 7. In order to do this, we sorted the array, right? We got, you guys can ignore this print, right? We just printed making sure it was working, but we sort the array. We create 2 pointers, one at the beginning, one at the end. Then we create a while loop. This while loop checks if we cross the midpoint. If we cross the midpoint, that means that we are gonna repeat on repeat iterating the list, and we're not gonna find the numbers that we found, right, or that we want. In that case, like there's no answer. In other words, so right, so we iterate through the array with these 2 pointers. We can reach the first if statement. This if statement makes sure if we found the right number, if we find the positive number with a negative number, right? In this case, if we do find the positive, right, if we do find the numbers and we add them up, if we equal to 0, we return the absolute value of that number, right? If not, we check, all right, if absolute value, right, which is in this case, I don't know, if it's less than the positive value, right? Right. Well, if one value is less than the other value, because we're getting the absolute value in this case, right? We try to shift it in order to try and get that number, right? For example, and let's say we had 3 on the left side on start, and we had 2 on the right side, right? Since 3 is bigger, we have to move this 3 a little bit to the right? In that case, we can get that -2 that we're looking for. So this thing just repeats, and if we can't find the 2 numbers, we return -1. Yes, sir. Alrighty. I don't know if Carlos wants to add anything. He's a mastermind of this code. He's the one that came up with everything.
I appreciate the kind words, but I'm far from a mastermind. I don't think there's anything like that. I think you explained it very well.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
I think you're ready for the outro now. Ready to yap for a little bit.
I'm ready for the yap for a little bit.
Damn, Orcus is ready to go. They're
Thank
like,
you,
oh,
Orcus.
you're done.
Thank you.
It's all good, Orcus.
Have a great day.
We'll see you later.
Take
Thank
care,
you for
my guy.
showing.
Yes, sir.
Y'all
Thank you,
did
Fed.
a lot of
Thank you,
problems
Fed.
today.
Thank you, Fed.
Appreciate it. We're getting better. Oh, it's morning over there for Orcus. I forgot.
Oh, damn. Hey,
He's from
happy
Australia.
breakfast then. Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Damn.
Yeah. I think so, right,
Bro.
Orcus, or no?
Bro, think about it, bro. Think about it. He's
What?
in the future. Think about it, bro. Think
Oh.
about it. He's in the future, my guy.
My bad, Orcus. That's my bad.
Yo, getting canceled tonight.
That's my bad. I thought you said reckon. You say reckon. I thought that was you. I'm sorry.
No.
Tomorrow you'll be smarter than today. Then you're totally right. I saw something saying like, don't. Actually, I'm gonna butcher the quote. I
Yeah,
forgot what
cancel
they
him.
said.
Cancel him. I got you, Kyle. Cancel him for sure.
That was me. Okay.
Yeah, bro. Orcus is living.
Yeah, I swear I mentioned someone. They said reckon, and then I said, oh,
Babe.
I reckon, and I said that,
I remember.
and
that.
then they said, oh, I'm Australian, mate. So that's why I put that towards you, because someone did mention that before, but that's my bad.
Yeah, no. I got you. I can.
Oh, that was
I'll be
me?
your alibi. I'll be your alibi. I remember that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Yeah, John Pork's he's been on my mind lately. So, yeah, you know,
I watch Sidemen a lot. Okay.
John Pork is in the hospital. That's why he was calling earlier. So we want to make sure he's okay. But, yeah. Well, let's see.
Bro,
What else do you want to mention? Quickly recap. We want to add some segments to the streams to make it more fun a little bit. Like, I guess whenever we're like stressed out, we want to add some like little segments. We'll have like a digital wheel of challenges, coding challenges, and then we'll have those things. So hopefully we get to do that soon. And then we're thinking of adding like some on text things, like whenever a viewer joins the call and stuff like that. We hit 200 subs is another announcement. So we're aiming for 500, and then I believe that's it. That's kind of all we got. We're probably gonna stream again this week. Is that it? Right?
Hopefully,
Yeah.
yes.
We'll try to stream one more time this week, and then school starts already next week. So we're probably gonna be doing weekly streams again, like one stream per week starting next week. If we do 2 this week, so. Let's Let's see what happens there. Have y'all thought of? Go do your thing. Do your thing.
Oh, I was gonna mention the same comment. If I give a great suggestion, like having a live stream where we're coding something, creating something. Actually, that's one thing. We were kind of talking about it in the beginning, right? But we kind of stayed here with like LeetCode a little bit because we want to primarily like settle the basis of LeetCode. You know, create a community around LeetCode. Right, and then after that we can like branch out, right? And I give a suggestion where me and Carlos, maybe in the future, we don't know, right? This is my thought process, right? Where we can have a both separate series, my series, his series, where I'm creating like my project, he's creating his project, and then we have this like LeetCode, like daily, weekly, right? And we live stream our stuff whenever we can and stuff. So maybe.
Yeah.
No, no,
So
who knows? Yes,
there's a
sir.
lot of little different ideas we have. That's one of them we discussed. So I think that would be really cool. A really cool idea. Like, since like this is like a community and stuff, like might as well show what we're doing as well. And I think it'll be pretty interesting. So definitely something like that. I'll be open to if me and Jose work on a project to like be doing that live. But I'm interested to see how like the production would work. Like how would I show what I'm doing on my screen and how would he show what he's doing on his screen? Because I'm sure we'll be doing like different things. So
Yep.
that'll be interesting on how to figure that out. But there's a lot that goes into it when you're creating content. I'm mostly figuring out like how to make sure the stream looks good, the settings and like graphics. So I always got to keep that in mind. And then of course the coding stuff comes into play. So whenever it comes to a live stream like that where we need to share two screens, I probably can't be switching scenes while I'm coding or something. So there'll probably need to be a third party on that one to see to kind of switch scenes or we both have our screens at the same time where I don't have to switch, but I have no clue. What's up?
Or we can both have like our separate. Oh, there's the cops. Yo,
John Pork.
Yo, John Pork.
Is that John Pork?
Is that him?
Is that the ambulance?
Yeah, I think it's the ambulance, bro. Rest in peace, John Pork. Rest in
Dude.
peace. Rest in peace.
Oh no, it's Marvin B. I just got alerted. Amber alert.
No.
Marvin B.
No.
Man.
I was saying like, what if we both have like our separate series, right? Where we both live streams when we have time. You get me?
Okay. So
yeah.
But then I was saying like if we were teaming up on a project on how we could stream that.
Yeah.
Because I'm curious on how that would be possible.
Yeah.
It's possible. It's all about like figuring out how to place your screens and stuff.
Yeah.
But all right, that's all I had to say, Jose. You can end it off.
Yeah.
Join the Discord. That's the last thing I want to say.
Join the Discord. Yeah. Hey, how many members? Let's see.
25, 28,
30 members. 30 members. We got 3.
We have 30.
This stream. 3
that means there's 70 more invites available.
That could be you, if you want to be part of this. We had some. We This is a growing community, largest growing community on YouTube, of course, right? But that could be you. If you want to become part of this community, join the Discord. We have beef, we have thinking, we have learning, we have teaching.
We have memes.
We have memes. We have live streams. We have cooperative. We got everything. If you want to be part of this community, this growing community of hardworking geniuses, and if you want to be a genius, join us in this journey. And I thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for viewing, for bearing with us. We are learning, and I thank you guys to all the viewers are giving us like encouragement, tips, and tricks, right? And hop on the cause. We are also having cause, live stream cause. You can be in the live.
Oh yeah, you could join the call. You could join.
Join the call. Yes, sir.
Say
so
what's
I appreciate
up.
everything. And to end it off, I appreciate everything, guys. Have a great night. In some places, have a great breakfast. Have a great day. Start of your day. I wish you the best on day or night. And thank you guys for coming in. I don't know if Carlos has anything to say, but for me, thank you very much, guys.
Last thing I want to say is free John Pork. He did nothing wrong.
Man, that guy's in the hot.